bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe yìn ọ́ o bàbá. Níbi ẹ bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe yìn ọ́ o bàbá. Ó kọjá òye ènìyàn, ó kọjá ọgbọ́n mi. Níbi ẹ bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe yìn ọ́ o bàbá. Arúgbó ọjọ́.
Níbi ẹ bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe yìn ọ́ o bàbá. Níbi ẹ bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe yìn ọ́ o bàbá. Ó kọjá òye ènìyàn.
Olúwa lọ, Olúwa lọ.
Ó kọjá òye ènìyàn. Níbi ẹ bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe yìn ọ́ o bàbá.
Arúgbó ọjọ́, ẹrù jẹjẹ létí òkun ni ọ́ bàbá mi. Apá ńlá tó solé àyèrò, èmi ni tí ń jẹ́ èmi ni. Mo dúró sórí òkè tí ń wò pẹ̀kun ẹyẹ nínú ìgbó. Ajíjẹ mímọ́ ni ọ́ bàbá mi, ajíwọ́ mímọ́ ni.
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọba ọ̀run.
Thank the King of Heaven.
À ń ṣe pé kí gbogbo ẹ̀ kó lè dára
We are
náà.
working for everything to
So
become good.
a kàn fẹ́ ká kàn lo àkókò.
We don't just want to use the time.
So a fẹ́ kẹ́ ní kí n tá à ń ṣe fún yín kó ní ipa.
We want something, what we're doing for you to have a mark.
So lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò dára
In the
fún
name
yín.
of Jesus shall be well
So
with
ní
you.
kíákíá tètè máa ṣí
Please
àmẹ́sẹ̀jì.
very quickly share the message.
Máa bá wa ṣí àìbáyé.
Please begin to share the message.
Máa invite àwọn èèyàn.
Invite people.
Àwọn èèyàn àkọ́kọ́ bí èmi náà
The
ṣe ń
first
try fún
people
yín
as
yẹn.
I'm trying for
Ìwọ
you.
náà try báyìí pẹ̀lú àwọn
Please try
èèyàn.
for people as
Kó
well.
invite àwọn èèyàn wọlé.
Invite people
So
to
bó bá ṣe ń wọlé,
as you're coming in,
máa gbìyànjú láti máa share
try and share
mẹ́sẹ̀gì
your
yìí.
message.
Torí ọ̀nà mẹ́rin pàtàkì
There are four important
tí
rules
àánú a lè sọ pé ó pín sí.
that we can divide
Tí
message.
ènìyàn gan ti ní ìdíje
And
fún
even
yín kó
man
ní
needs
ipa.
it.
Ẹ̀rọ
Want
jẹ́ kó
something
pọn
in
dandan
what we
fún
do.
yín.
It is important,
Àwọn
compulsory for you.
irúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò dára
In the
fún
name
yín.
of Jesus, shall obtain mercy.
So tí Bíbélì dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó yé wa irú
And the
òkun tó
Bible
rí gbà.
makes us to understand the man that receives
So
it.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yẹn á lè yẹra kúrò níbi tẹ́ ẹ fọkàn sí tẹ́
So
ẹ
many
rò
of
pé
you
àrùn ti wá.
will take your mind away off where you thought mercy can come
So
from.
ọ̀pọ̀ ibi tó yẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín fojú sí pé àánú ti lè wá.
The places you focus that mercy can come from.
Àánú kì í gbàbẹ̀ jáde.
Mercy does not come
Ẹni bá
out
sọ̀rọ̀
from there.
débẹ̀ lánàá.
You see, we talked to
So
that
wá
area
wò mí
yesterday.
kẹ́ tẹ̀lé wa dáadáa
I
nínú
would
ẹ̀.
have loved you to follow us in the
Number
spirit.
one, àti fẹ́ máa ka Bíbélì
Number
yẹn
one,
lọ́wọ́
we
ẹ̀ka.
want to carry, we would have been reading
So
the Bible
torí ẹ̀ tó
together.
ṣe ń wọlé máa ṣe
Because of those
àmẹ́sẹ̀jì.
of you just coming in,
Bó ṣe
share the
ṣe
message.
àwárí àánú gbà.
As you're doing so, you obtain
Ọwọ́
mercy.
àánú Olúwa máa kan ayé ẹ̀.
And the message of God touch your
Wà á dẹ̀
life.
rí ojú rere
And
Ọlọ́run.
you see the favor of
Luke
God.
chapter 10
Luke chapter number 10,
verse 30.
verse number 30. Jésù sì dáhùn.
Yes.
Ó wí pé
Ó wí pé
ọkùnrin kan ti Jerusalem sọ̀kalẹ̀ lọ sí Jericho.
ẹ̀yin ẹ máa kà á lọ. Ọkùnrin kan ti Jerusalem lọ sí
Ó sì
Jericho
bọ́
yẹn.
sí ọwọ́ àwọn ọlọ́ṣà
Ó wá bọ́ sọ́wọ́ ọlọ́ṣà.
tí wọ́n gbà á lé aṣọ.
Now ọlọ́ṣà pín sóríṣi mẹ́ta.
There are three the types of robber.
Wọ́n máa ń gbójú àlájà yàn lólè.
They can pass through the dream to rob from someone.
Wọ́n máa ń yani lólè láti ṣe pàṣípàrọ̀ nǹkan.
They can steal from someone through exchange of
Ìyẹn ni
things.
pé kẹ́ ẹ gbé lọ́dọ̀ ènìyàn.
It's for you to maybe you live with someone
Kan jà ọ́ lólè
and they rob you
láti gbogbo lọ́wọ́
in
ẹ̀.
order to snatch your glory.
Èèyàn mi kàn ní àti ẹ̀ ń gbàdúrà lónìí.
One of my person, we are both praying together
Ó wá
today.
sọ nǹkan kan fún mi.
Then he told me something.
Òun kọ́ ló tiẹ̀ sọ fún mi.
He's not the one that told me.
But èmi mo kàn gbàdúrà kan bẹ̀.
I just prayed to that
Mo wá
extent.
béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé mi
And
ò
I
wá sọ báyìí.
asked the person that the Spirit of God says,
Ó wá ní bàbá ó lẹ̀
Say,
jájú
Baba,
ọ̀nà.
Daddy, you're on the right
Ó
track.
láwọn méje ló gbébi tó ń gbé.
There are 7 people that live together with him where he lives.
Ó ní 5 ti kú nínú àwọn
Said
méje.
5 of them have been dead out
Ó
of the
ní
7.
òun tóun ò kú.
Said him that did not die
Bí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé òun lógo òun ò rógo lò.
is as if he was just alive without making use of
Ibẹ̀
it.
yẹn lòun ti máa ń bára òun padà.
He normally made himself at that place.
Òun á máa pọn mi bẹ̀.
He would go there, be fetching
Òun á
water,
máa fọṣọ ń bẹ̀.
be washing clothes there.
Nígbà tóun dẹ̀ wà ń lo òyìnbó.
And while he was living in
Òun
abroad,
gbé lo òyìnbó yẹn tóun bá ti ń láwọn àlá yẹn. Kò sí òun ò kì í rí náà lọ́wọ́ òun ò kì í rá láàánú.
he lives in that abroad. Whenever he had that dream, there would be no helper, there would be no benefactor.
Now ọ̀nà kẹta náà ni olè ti ara.
And the third one is the physical thieves.
Tán lè dá ọ lójú ọ̀nà.
They can just be willing, barricade you on the way.
now so ọkùnrin yìí
This man,
olè ti dá lọ́nà báyìí
the thieves have to rob him
ó
on
wá
the
nídìí aláàánú
way. Then he need mercy.
but èrò ọkàn ẹ̀ ni pé
But his mindset
ó wá
was,
fojú síbi kan tá àánú
he
ti lè
was
wá
focusing attention in a place where
ṣe
mercy
mọ̀
can
pé
come.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yìí náà ti fojú síbi kan pé àánú
Many
mi
of
ti lè
you
jáde
are focusing attention in a place that
ìgbà
mercy
tí
can
mi
come
àtẹni
from.
yẹn wá gbàdúrà débi kan
After myself and the
mo wá sọ
person
pé ohun tí ò jẹ́ kó làlùyọ
I said, what hinder you to
tí ò
succeed
jẹ́ kó ráàánú
that never like to have
ni
mercy
pé ibi tó fojú sí
is because of where you focus your
ibi
attention.
ni mo wá fi gbà
And
níyànjú
this is where I used to
pé kó jẹ́ ká wo
admonish him.
ọkùnrin irú ibi tó ń fojú sí
Let's examine this man where he focuses his
pé
attention.
àánú ti lè wá
That mercy can come from.
so ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn àlùfáà náà
Many
lónìí
of the pastors
à ń
today
fojú sáwọn ibìkan pé àánú lè ti lè jáde
were thinking that mercy can come from there
whereas zero ni
and not knowing is zero.
so àwọn ibìkan náà wà tó fojú sí bí ẹ tètè yára bá mi kalẹ̀ ní ká wo nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀ kíákíá ká tó lọ béèrè ìgbé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ní ìbéèrè tí mo kọ́ lẹ̀ yes
Tí wọ́n sì gbà á lé aṣọ,
wọ́n gbà á láṣọ
wọ́n
yes
ṣá lọ́gbẹ́,
wọ́n tún ṣá lọ́gbẹ́
wọ́n sì fi sílẹ̀ lọ.
ìwọ náà wọ́n ti gba aṣọ ògo lára rẹ
And they
wọ́n
have
ti
taken
ṣá ọ
the
lọ́gbẹ́
garment of glory from you, and they have wounded you,
wọ́n ti ṣàgbéyàwó ẹlòmíín lọ́gbẹ́
wounded some people's marriage,
ó wá ń wọ ẹni tí ó daṣọ bò ọ́
and you
padà
are looking at the one who is going to clothe you.
ó wá ń wọ ẹni tí ó wojú ọgbẹ́ rẹ sàn
You are looking for someone who is going to heal your wound.
máa ṣí à mẹ́sẹ̀gì bó ṣe
Share the
wọlé
message as you're coming
káwọn
in,
ẹlòmíràn tún lè
so
benefit
that
rẹ
others can benefit from it.
yes kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀
Wọ́n sì fi sílẹ̀ lọ lé àìpa
wọ́n
lé
wá fi
àpáta.
ilẹ̀ wọ́n pa á sáyé wọn ò jẹ́ ó lọ sọ́run wọn ò sì jẹ́ ó kúrò láyé
They kill him halfly, they didn't kill him totally, and they didn't allow him to even live in the world.
so ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ń gbé láyé bí ẹni tí ò sí
Many
láyé
they are living in the world as if they are not existing.
wọ́n ń gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ní gbé
That
ayé
is the
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀
life and the lifestyle of many.
ayé gan ti sọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀
Even many are tired of
torí
life
ayé tí kò bá ràánú gbà
because they need life without mercy.
bí ẹni tí ò sí láyé
As if they are not in living.
ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ yìí pé
But I know for
oṣù
sure
kẹfà tó ń lọ
the
sẹ́nu ẹ̀
6 months you are going
ó
to,
máa jẹ́ oṣù
it's going
àyípadà
to be
rere
a month of change for
ó máa
you.
jẹ́ oṣù
It's
àánú
going to be a month of mercy.
ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀wájú díẹ̀ náà
Ní alábàápàdé
ní alábàápàdé
ní
yẹn
àlùfáà kan,
ní àlùfáà kan yes
ó sì sọ̀kalẹ̀ lọ lọ́nà náà.
àlùfáà ló ń lọ yìí o
The
lójú ọ̀nà ọbẹ̀
pastor
yẹn
going on this way.
yes
Nígbà tí ó sì rí,
ó àlùfáà yẹn rí
when the pastor see
yes
ó kọjá lọ ní àkejì.
ó kàn gba bòmí ni pé àwẹ̀ èmi kọ́ ló
pastor-
máa èmi ò lè ṣàánú irú ẹni yìí o
Man, I'm not going to have mercy on this kind of person.
ó kàn ra bá tiẹ̀ lọ ní
He just
tiẹ̀
went on his way.
yes èwo ló tó
Bẹ́ẹ̀
kù
náà sì ni
another person
ọmọ Léfì kan pẹ̀lú.
ọmọ létí tún kọjá
Nígbà tí ó dé ibẹ̀,
nígbà tó tún
tí ó
débẹ̀
sì rí,
ó tún rí
ó kọjá lọ.
òun náà tún kọjá lọ
Ní ìkejì.
ó tún gbà tọ̀nà ibì kejì lọ àlùfáà yẹn rí méjèèjì
When
tó
the
ń
pastor
fojú
see
sí pé
the
àánú
two
ti lè
places,
jáde
he focus his attention that mercy can come from.
ẹ rí báyẹn yín
Can
èèyàn
you see now people of
àánú
God?
ò jáde láti
Mercy does not come out
ibo
from
ló
them.
fọkàn náà sí
Where are you focusing your
torí pé
attention?
àdúrà rẹ ò tí ì tẹjú mọ́ Jésù
Because you are here to focus on
ò
Jesus.
tí ì tẹjú mọ́
You
Ọlọ́run
are here to focus on
so
God.
ibi tó ti gbójú sí
Where you set your mind.
ìdí nìyẹn tí mo ṣe la fẹ́ gbàdúrà
That is why I said we want to
mo la
pray.
fẹ́ gbàdúrà
I said we want to pray.
ó kàn dùn mí
It's just a pity.
ọmọ mi kan ó sẹ́ndì mẹ́sẹ̀gì kan sí mi nílùú òyìnbó
One of my son sent a message to me from abroad
ní èní
today.
bá mi mú fóònù yẹn jẹ́ kí n máa play ẹ̀ fún yín
I'm
nísìnyí
going to pray the message to you.
kò tí ì ju oṣù méjì báyìí
It's
tán
not
kó
more than
Nàìjíríà
2 months that they left Nigeria.
àtòun àtọkọ
Him and the husband.
ọjọ́ mọ̀ mí ní Olúwa
They are my children.
mo
in
wá
the
sọ
Lord.
pé àǹtí
And I say, sister,
mo ní nǹkan tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí l'Amẹ́ríkà
I said, what has never happened before in
òun ló
America?
máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín
This is
nínú
what
yìí
is going to happen to you as you're going.
ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé láàrin oṣù mẹ́ta
Do you
tó
know
tẹ̀ ti pinnu pé oṣù mẹ́ta
within 3 months?
ìwé tí wọn ò rí gbà lódidi ọdún méjì mẹ́ta mẹ́rin
The document you are unable to get within 3
Ọlọ́run gba àánú ṣiṣẹ́
mercy works
wọ́n dẹ̀ gbà
and they got it.
láàrin oṣù mẹ́ta
Within 3
mo mọ̀ kó
months.
a máa ronú pé bó ló ṣe lè rí
And
bẹ́ẹ̀
you'll be thinking, how is it going
ẹ
to
mọ̀
be
pé
possible?
èmi ń ṣe wòlíì tí ó dorí ibi tí ó mọ̀ búra fún
I'm
ẹ
not the kind of prophet that will get here and
tó o
begin
bá
to
gbàgbọ́
take
fine
an oath. If you believe,
tó o bá
fine.
sì gbàgbọ́
You don't believe,
fine náà bá kan náà
fine as well.
ṣùgbọ́n tèmi bá ń sọ fún
But
yín
whatever I tell you,
mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run ló rán mi sí ọ
know that God has sent me to you.
àwọn ibìkan wà tó o gbójú sí
There are some places you set your
tí
mind
ò yẹ kó o fojú sí
that you're not supposed to put your
òun
mind
ni ò
in.
jẹ́ kó o rọ́nà
That is why you don't have your way.
ṣùgbọ́n tó bá kọjú síbi tó yẹ kó o kọjú sí
Why you focus your attention where you're supposed to
máa
focus
gbọ́
your
jẹ́
attention?
ń play nǹkan kan fún ọ máa gbọ́.
Daddy, mo transfer 120,000 sínú àkáǹtì yìí pé mo pledge sometimes ago personal pledge ni so mo ti fulfill pledge mi. Then secondly, mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run torí ẹ ṣe program kan mo dẹ̀ wò online. Ẹni ká béèrè ká gbàdúrà pé kí oṣù tó parí. Ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ́ pé ó máa yà wá lẹ́nu pé ká béèrè fún. Mo dẹ̀ gbàdúrà pé kí ìwé ìgbélú wa kó ti bọ́ sí kí oṣù tó parí.
No, I'm not going anywhere until you tell me where my boyfriend
Ó
is.
dẹ̀ ti bọ́ sí. Mo ní sọ fún yín ni mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba. Ẹ ṣé gan sir.
kò tí ì tàn.
Ìpè yẹn máa gbé wá sà.
drive a wedge between us. The boyfriend,
Ó dà sà.
the dying.
mo mọ̀ pé yín tẹ́ bá wà nílùú òyìnbó
I know those of you in abroad,
voice tó ń gbọ́ nísàlẹ̀
the
yẹn
voice you have
wàá mọ̀
now,
pé voice ìlú òyìnbó ni
no, is the voice of
pé
others.
kì í ṣe voice ibi bí
It is not the voice
kì
here.
í ṣe voice pé bóyá èèyàn lè lọ frame ẹ̀
It's
fún ọ
not the voice that you can
wàá
frame.
mọ̀ pé òun gbúrò àwọn nǹkan kan
You
nísàlẹ̀
see, you are
ìlú
hearing
yẹn
some
gẹ́gẹ́ ni mo fẹ́
sounds
kó
of
gbọ́ jù
voice. That is what I want you to have.
but nǹkan kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wàá rí i pé
But there's something
mi
there.
ní kán yọ bí owó ẹ̀ kúrò
I don't ask them to remove
ó
that.
lóun
place of
fúnra
it.
ra òun
She said
ní
personally
personally pé
herself,
òun make a pledge
she make a pledge within
mi
herself.
ní iṣẹ́ rí
Without no
lánàá
anybody's
kò
consent.
sẹ́nibọ́dì tó sọ fún
Nobody ever told her.
kò èyí tí mò ń sọ fún yín gan lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà
That is
nìyẹn
what I'm telling you most of the time.
tí iye ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín kò tí ì ṣí
For
sí
many, understanding is yet to open
òun
to it.
bíbélì pé ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ la fìṣẹ́
The
fún
Bible says the sinner are meant to suffer.
ó wá rọ̀ mọ́ àdúrà yẹn
And that's in line with the
gbàdúrà
prayer.
yìí dáadáa ń túmọ̀
Pray
sọ
this prayer.
ohun ẹni tó gbọ́ yẹn tó
The
ikú
voice
nàìjíríà kò
of
tí
the
ì di oṣù mẹ́ta
The voice of the person he had for
Òun
when
àti
she left
òun àtọkọ
Nigeria,
ẹ̀.
it's not more than 3 months.
ọkọ
him
ẹ̀
and
mo wá sọ
husband.
pé mọ̀ fi iṣẹ́ lẹ̀ o
And I asked the husband not to leave the
kàn
work.
ṣáà lọ
Just go.
kó dẹ̀ padà wá síbi
And
iṣẹ́
come back
mo
to
ní
your
ohun tó
work.
lù wá sọ fún
I
mi
said that is what the Lord
jẹ́
told
kí
me.
ìyàwó ẹ̀ dúró
Let your wife stay there.
àtàwọn méjèèjì
And
àtòun àtìyàwó
both
òun
himself
ìyàwó
and
ló
the
gbọ́
wife.
ọ̀nà ti ṣí
Hear the voice of the wife, the way as
ní ìwà ibi tán fojú sí ọ̀tọ̀
and where they focus their attention is
ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tó gbóhùn wòlíì tí a
why
ń sì
they had the voice of the prophet that was sent.
ẹ rí i pé ó ní ìyàwó ọmọ yín
He said that the wife of
yẹn
your
ní pé
son,
okùn wọn ewúrẹ́ wọn ní okùn nídìí
that is their goal. There is a rope that tied their goal.
ta ni a lè pè ọ́ náà mọ́
Whom can you be tagged with
tí ó lè tọ́ ọ sọ́nà tàbí.
that can give you direction?
now ẹ wá jẹ́ ká máa tẹ̀síwájú
Now let's proceed.
wòlíì reverend ti kọjá lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀
Reverend has passed
ọmọ
through
wòlíì ti
that
kọjá lọ́dọ̀
prayer.
ẹ̀
Son of prophet
láì
has
ṣàánú
passed
fún
through without mention
but
of
èrò
it.
ọkàn ni pé wọ́n máa ràn
But
lọ́wọ́
his mindset is
ẹ
that
jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú màá fún yín lọ́nà mẹ́rin o
I'm going to give you the 4
torí
ways.
tó bá ní ìbéèrè kó tètè mọ́
Make
múra lẹ̀
questions. Just
Yes.
ṣùgbọ́n
ṣùgbọ́n
ará Samaria kan,
ẹni yóò lórúkọ
this man has no name.
wọ́n pè ní ará Samaria
It's just someone, an indigenous of
ṣé wá rí
Samaria.
nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ẹ̀yà méjèèjì
And there are things that happen between these
wọn
two.
láìkì ara
These two are tribes, they don't like
irú
themselves.
àwọn tó bá wá láti Jerusalem
Those that come from
sí
Jerusalem
Samaria
to
tẹ
Samaria.
bá rí i pé ìgbà tí Jésù dé etí kànga
You
kan
will understand when Jesus get to a well,
ó béèrè pé kóbìnrin kan fóun mu lómi
he asked a woman to give him
obìnrin ẹ wá
water.
sọ pé ará Samaria lòun
And the woman was saying,
òun ò
I'm
lè
in
fún ọ lómi
Samaria.
mu o
I cannot give you
fúnra rẹ̀
water.
sọ doro sí odò
Throw the bucket in the water
kó o fúnra rẹ̀ pọn omi
and fetch water by
kó o mu
yourself.
omi láyé
So
ara
that
ẹ̀
you drink water
sọ
by
ẹ ti
yourself.
mọ̀ wípé bí ìgbà tá a bá sọ pé ìjà wà láàrin
You
ẹ̀yà
see
méjèèjì
there's a kind of rift between the two tribes
sọ pé àlè ò lè rómi mu
that I cannot give you
wọ́n
water.
láì mọ̀ wípé ẹni tó dúró tí ń gan lómi ìyè
Not even knowing the person standing next to her. is
so
the-
ará
the-
Samaria yìí
This Samaria.
ibi tí ò gbàgbọ́ pé ìrànlọ́wọ́ ti lè jáde
Here he never thought about the
ibẹ̀ làánú àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́ ti
That
jáde
is where mercy and
náà
grace
kí lára
come.
Samaria wá ṣe ṣe ẹ́
Ṣùgbọ́n ará Samaria kan
ará Samaria
bí ó
kan
ti ń rin àjò,
bí ó ti wá ń lọ àjò ń tiẹ̀
ó dé ibi tí ó gbé wà.
ó wá débi tó wà
Nígbà tí ó sì rí
nígbà tó rí tán
àánú
ṣé
ṣe é.
ẹni tó ń pè gan láàánú
That is
gẹ́gẹ́
what we
gẹ́gẹ́
call mercy.
ẹni tó máa ṣàánú ẹ
Someone that will mention
ẹni
you.
tó máa yóò rí kò ní wojú ọgbẹ́ tó wà lára
He
ẹ̀,
will not mind the scar you are
kò ní
having in
wo
your
ogun
body.
tó ní.
He will not mind the battle you are having.
Mo gbàdúrà àánú fáwọn kan rí nígbà
I
kan
have prayed a prayer of mercy for some people
ní
sometimes
chọ́ọ̀chì
ago
kan.
in the church.
Mo wá pe àdúrà yẹn.
Then I called the prayer.
Mo ní Olúwa ẹni tí ó ṣàánú
I
mi
said, Lord, the person that want mercy
tán
on me.
máa criticize mi níwájú ẹ̀.
And when they criticize me in
Wọ́n á
front of
sọ pé aṣẹ́wó ni
they
ọ́.
will say he's a prostitute.
Wọ́n á sọ pé olè ni ọ́.
Say you are a
Wọ́n á
robber.
sọ pé wà á arrogant.
Say you are so arrogant.
But á sọ pé ẹ má wọrí ẹ má
Say
wọrí.
don't worry.
A máa pé a máa bá wí.
We are going to rebuke him. or her.
Àákàn bá wí.
But only go to
Pọ̀
rebuke
tó
him.
ń tán fẹ́ ṣe yẹn.
What they want to
Kò
do.
sí irú bọ́n ṣe lè bà ọ́
There
jẹ́
is
tó
no why
wájú.
they know how they can criticize you because
Dandan ni wọ́n máa ṣe é.
for sure they will do it.
Ohun tán fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n á ṣe fún
But
ọ.
they've determined to do the work.
Tán bá tún dé tán bá tún mọ̀rọ̀
When
ìbí
it
ẹ̀ wá.
get to a point when they
Wọ́n á ní ẹ̀
bring
máa
the
wọrí. Wọ́n lè
report,
sọ pé ọmọdé ló ń ṣe é.
it's just being
Irú
child.
àánú tó ní ìdí
That
nìyẹn.
is the kind of mercy you
Pé
need.
ọmọdé ló ń ṣe é.
That is just being a child.
Kò rí èèyàn bá wí.
And there's no one to rebuke
Tó
him.
bá rí èèyàn bá
And let
wí.
me see someone to
Ó
rebuke him.
máa yí padà.
He will have changed.
Tó bá rí èèyàn bá wí.
If there's someone to
A máa
rebuke
pe a
him,
máa advice
I'm
ẹ̀.
going to call him and
Irú
advise
àánú tó ní
him. That
ìdádé
is the type
ìjọsìn
of
yẹn.
mercy you needed at each
Ẹ bá
other.
mi kà síwájú díẹ̀ sí. Yes.
Nígbà tí ó sì rí
Ó rí tán.
àánú ṣe,
Àánú ṣe
ó
é.
sì tọ̀ ọ́ lọ,
Ó bá tọ̀ lọ.
ó sì dì í lọ́gbẹ́,
Yes.
ó dá òróró òun wáìnì sí i,
Ó da òróró àti wáìnì sí.
ó sì
Yes.
gbé e lórí ẹranko tí òun ti kára rẹ̀,
Yes.
ó sì mú wá sí ilé èrò, ó
Ẹ̀hẹ́n.
sì ṣètọ́jú rẹ̀.
Ó ṣe ìtọ́jú rẹ̀.
He's taking care of
Kò ní
him.
kó má kú sí òun
He
lọ́rùn.
never said he shouldn't die.
Iṣẹ́
He
láì
was
ẹni bá máa ṣàánú fún èèyàn.
someone that want to have mercy
Kò
on
ní
man.
wo àbùkù tó wà
He
lára
won't
ẹ̀.
mind your own
Kò
reproach.
ní wo ìgbé ayé ẹ̀.
He won't mind your
Kò
lifestyle.
ní wo ìrìn àjò
He
ẹ̀.
won't mind your journey,
Kò
your
ní
works.
wo rárá rárá.
He won't mind it.
Lónìí interpreter mi.
Today my
Èmi
interpreter,
àti ẹni sọ̀rọ̀ kan gbé
we're
lónìí.
discussing something here
Mo wà-
today.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan wá sọ fún mi pé prophet
A friend of mine said,
òun bá ẹni tó introduce òun sí mi pàdé.
I met with a person that introduced me to you. I met him to,
Ó ní ọwọ́ òun ló ti wá kì í ṣe pé ó fi bu o.
not that he used it to abuse
Pé
you.
àṣẹ ayé máa ń yí.
So you don't know that the word
Àṣẹ áńgẹ́lì kan máa kúrò lọ́dọ̀
not
ènìyàn.
knowing an angel can vacate a place.
Àṣẹ ẹni tí a rò pé kò ní ráàánú gbà lè ráàánú
So
gbà.
someone you detect the church can never obtain mercy, can
Ó
obtain
bú
mercy.
ọ̀gá yìí nígbà yẹn ni.
He abused this
Ó
brother
tún
the
sọ
other
fún mi
day.
pé kí n máa bá òun gbéṣẹ́
He
ìpè.
even asked me to cause this brother.
Mo wá wò pé báwo máa ṣe máa gbé èèyàn ṣe pé ìwọ ló introduce ẹ̀
I
sí mi.
said, how will I be causing someone you
Mi tí ìlú àṣẹ mi láti gbé àwọn tó wà nínú ogun dìde èpè màá wá tó máa fi gbé ènìyàn
I
ṣe.
haven't used my authority to raise people in battle up. Will I
Mo
use
ní,
it to cause
okay,
people again?
Láti lè instead tí màá fi mú ọ.
Instead for me to pick
Jẹ́
you,
kí n rọra mú àwé yìí.
let me pick this man.
Ohun tí wọ́n ti ṣe fún mi rí.
What you have ever done for me,
Jọ̀ọ́ wá gba nǹkan rẹ̀ padà.
please come and take your thing.
Mo dẹ̀ dá padà fún.
And I returned
Ọkùnrin yẹn wá ń
it back.
béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi
And the
lónìí.
man was asking me
Ó ní
today,
dáàdì.
the daddy,
Ẹjọ́ ṣé òun ò ṣẹ̀ mí?
please, am
Mo ní kí ni irú eléyìí?
haven't I offended? I said,
Ó
what's
lè
this?
ṣẹ̀ mí.
You can never offend
Mo
me.
ní èmi ni mo ti gbọ́n díẹ̀.
I say I'm a bit
Mo ní
wise.
láyé àtijọ́ mi ò gbọ́n.
Say you do some years back, I'm
Ẹ̀sọ́
so wise.
mo ti wá ń dàgbà.
But now I'm beginning
Sọ
to
pé tí wọ́n
grow.
bá ti ń dàgbà.
Now when someone is growing,
Wòlíì náà wà wá gbogbo nǹkan kọ́ ló a máa sọ.
and you will not be saying most things,
Torí pé ayé ara èèyàn kò tọ́.
because most people they
Pé
love the
ẹni máa tan ẹ̀yìn ènìyàn yẹn nídìí lónìí.
people that will deceive you today. That's
Tó bá rí ẹni tó fẹ́ bá ọ wí.
you see someone that want to reach
Èṣù
you.
máa ra ọ níyè láti má gba
Devil
ìbáwí
will
ẹ̀.
break your heart for you not to receive that
Ọkùnrin yẹn
instruction.
sọ̀rọ̀ débi pé
And the man speaks
mi
and
rẹ́dì
says,
láti sọ ìgbé ayé
I'm
ọkùnrin
not
yẹn sí
ready
ọmọ.
to tell you the story
Mo wá
of
sọ
that
fún
man.
bàbá ó rẹ bàbá yìí níbi
This man was just weary.
pé ṣerú ẹni lè dà báyìí.
Can someone like that
Mo ní
become something like
áńgẹ́lì
that?
àánú ló ṣí kúrò
I
lára.
said it is the angel of mercy that vacated out of his life.
Ẹni tó rò pé kò ní ráàánú gbà.
Someone he thought can never obtain mercy.
Àánú wá padà ṣiṣẹ́
And
fún.
mercy later work for that
So
person.
bóyá ìwọ náà bóyá ẹnìkan ti ráàánú gbà tó rò pé àánú ò lè tọ́ sí ọ.
Maybe someone have already obtained mercy and thought you can never obtain mercy.
Tí wọ́n bá kọjú sọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run,
If you should face God,
ìjẹ́ o mọ̀ yìí pé àánú máa ṣiṣẹ́
you
fún
know
ọ.
mercy can work for you.
Àánú máa wọ́nà fún ọ.
Mercy is going to make way for you.
Láyé àtijọ́,
And those years,
mo sọ́ọ̀rì láti sọ bí
I
eléyìí.
can say, I'm
Gbogbo
sorry to
ẹ̀yin tí ẹ
say,
bá mọ̀ mí dáadáa,
those of you that know me very well,
mi ì kúrò lórí fóònù.
I'm a friend of food.
Mi tí bá ti rí èèyàn, mo lè jókòó ti èèyàn odidi ọjọ́ kan láì jẹun kí n kí n máa ṣe cancel kí n máa gbani níyànjú.
I can stay without eating for a whole day on phone and begin to cancel
ṣùgbọ́n
people.
ìjẹ́ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ènìyàn náà lẹ kọ́ mi.
And do you know that you people, you are the one that teach me or
mo
train
ṣe
me?
wá wò pé èèyàn mélòó ni mo fẹ́ wá máa dá lóru
Then I
tí
was
wọ́n.
just thinking, how many people
ẹlòmíràn ní
will I
àwọn
be
tí pè yí
asking?
bàbá ẹ̀ gbé kọ́ọ̀lù.
Some will say, Baba, I've called you. you are not
àwọn
picking
ilé
up.
ìta ti gbé kọ́ọ̀lù wọn tọ́lọ́run ti lò wá fún yín fún.
People we are picking
mélòó
up
nínú
for.
yín ló dá orí mọ̀.
The people we pick their call that God has used us for, how many of you
nílùú èkó
show
yìí
appreciation?
mo ti rẹ́ni tó máa ń tọ̀ sílé
I see someone who is bedwetting.
láti age of ìjọ tán ti bí títí di bí 20 to 30 years.
Someone that has been bedwetting from the first day of her life to
tí mo
30 years.
gbàdúrà
And I prayed and prayed.
tí inú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mi tó wá sí tó tún tọ̀ sí
Even
níbẹ̀.
the church, while she was the church she came for prayer.
ó ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tó ń lọ o.
She has a church that she do.
ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tí mo gbàdúrà tán
So after my
mo mú
prayers,
káàkiri àwọn orí òkè
I take her to the shop
ìtọ́ tán
and the bedwetting
ó
stop
kàn pè
for she to just stop.
àbí kó kàn wá gbà bàbá o
Or for she to
òun
just
ti
stop.
dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ olúwa o.
Daddy, I appreciate God.
ẹ̀ẹ̀kan lóṣù mo sì ń wá sí
And I do come to Lagos
ẹ̀ẹ̀kan
once in
tó
a
yẹ
month.
kó débi bẹ̀ yẹn
And the ones
pé
in the
bàbá
month
o
I
praise
supposed
God
to go,
olúwa
I
ṣe
shall
o.
praise God.
text
God has
message
done
ló sẹ́ndì
it. She
sí
send a message
pé
to
bàbá
me.
please
Baba,
thank you
please, ẹ ṣé.
mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yìí
I
o
thank you.
òun ò tọ̀ mọ́ o
She's
pé
not
bọ̀
bedwetting.
pásọ̀ òun ti ń yọ òun lẹ́nu
For the pastor
so pé
beginning
wọ́n
to
ní
trouble
iṣẹ́
her.
gidi kan nínú
That they
ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì
have
pé òun jẹ́ akọrin ògo nínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì
She's a good singer
jọ
in the
ṣé
church.
igbó òrìṣà lọ́dọ̀ tèmi
My place is there a bush of an
ṣé
idol.
igbó mọlẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ èmi
My
yẹn ni
own
wòlíì
house,
torí
my
ẹ̀ ò
own-
pé
Am I the prophet? Am I
wòlíì aláwẹ̀
the prophet
tó mọ inú
that
igbó lọ
that goes to
so
bush?
ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tí wọ́n yẹn
Their own kind of church.
torí pé pásọ̀ wọn yẹn ti rá àánú gbà
Because their pastor.
na èmi ní mi ìmọ̀ tí mò ń bá
I'm the one that don't know what.
ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tọ̀dọ̀ mi ní òye ká kọrin gidi wà
So my own church, a good singer shouldn't be
mo
there.
wá ní àǹtí
I say,
mi
sister,
tí mo ra pátì mo ra
I just
àwòrán
abandon her. I begin
ṣùgbọ́n
to-
nígbà tí ṣe ń pé ọlọ́run ẹ pè ládákẹ́dájọ́
And you said God can just keep quiet.
ìbò mọ́ wá gbéra rẹ̀ dìde
My God is going to put
lẹ́yìn
himself
oṣù bíi mẹ́fà
after about 6
ṣe ló
months.
dàbí ìgbà tán bá sọ yìí pé wọ́n fi ṣùkù dí atẹ́gùn lára màálù tán wá fa ṣùkù yẹn tán fa yọ tómi bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ṣe jù
The battle came
ó
back
ṣẹ̀ wá rántí
and if she remember,
pé ibì kan wà
there was a place.
ọkùnrin tí ò níṣẹ́ yẹn
That man that does not have a word.
wòlíì tí ò mọ nǹkan tó ń
The
bá
prophet
yẹn
that does not know what she
ló
is
wá
doing.
jẹ́ ìsọkúndé mo ní àǹtí mẹ́sẹ̀gì ẹ̀ mo ṣèfù ẹ̀ níbi
The
òdìdí
message
tiẹ̀
you sent, I said
ibi ó ti lọ kọrin tó o ti ń kọrin odidi ọdún méjì ọdún mẹ́ta ọdún mẹ́rin ọdún márùn ọdún mẹ́fà
5 years, 6 years.
tó o sẹ́ndì mẹ́sẹ̀gì
And
sí
you
mi
send a message
ṣé
to
ọlọ́run ò sí ń bẹ̀ yẹn mọ́
It's
ni
gone up there.
ìgbò bá ti lógun lọ́lọ́run mọ́ wà lọ́dọ̀ mi
When you are about to
Bọ̀ ìbùkún bá ti jẹ́ tán, Ọlọ́run ò sí
after the
bẹ́ẹ̀
battle
yẹn
has
mọ́.
conquered, the God will not be
ẹ̀sà ó ti ń bá kiri lónìí o
But the lady is still with that prophet.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
That is it.
ojú ohun tó dẹ̀ fi ń wo ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mi láyé ìgbà yẹn
And the high she
ni
used
pé
to look at my
kò
children.
sí páànù ń bẹ̀
There's no zinc there.
tàbí wọn ò mọ ìjọ
Or
ìgbàlódé
you don't
kí ni mo ṣe ń sọ eléyìí
Why
fún
am I
yín
saying this to you?
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín
Most of you,
torí ẹlòmíì àti máa wò pé ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ń lo bàbá yìí fáwọn
the
kan o
Lord is using this man for
èmi
me.
dẹ̀ ti ń try
And I've been trying.
gbọ́ mo ní fóònù tó bíi méjì
I have about 2 phones.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn náà ló máa ń pe lápèpá
You people do call it
yóò
until
gbóná
the-
gbóná 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 ẹlòmíì àtọ́wọ́ tọ́dún bíi mẹ́rin tó ti pé
Some will
bàbá
say,
yìí
almost 4
ó
years.
mọ̀ pé bó ṣe ń pè mí yẹn náà lẹ́lòmíì ń pè
Don't
mí
you know the way you are calling me some other?
màá dẹ̀ fẹ́ gbàdúrà
And I want to pray.
bí mo ṣe bọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ yìí mo fi fóònù vibration ó ríǹgì
As I'm talking to you, my phone is on vibration and it's
so
still
náà kí
ringing.
wá sọ pé mo wá jókòó lórí fóònù ìwọ nìkan màá máa dá lóhùn gbogbo ọjọ́ ayé
If I
mi
said I should stay on phone, will you be the only one I will be attending to all through my life?
ìwọ ngan igi dá iye ó sì fò ní ọ
And you yourself, whenever you see the miracle, you
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
just fly away.
kí n sọ pé kẹ́ ẹ máa sọ tẹsímọ́nì báyìí ojú àti yìí
If I ask you to share the testimony, you
lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀
share.
yìí tí mi ò rírí tí mo
And
ti
most of you
gbàdúrà
that
fún
I've never even seen before and I prayed
ó
for
máa
you.
ṣòro fún ọ láti lọ orí
It
Facebook
will be
tó ti
difficult
wò
for
wáyé
you to go to the Facebook
láti lọ place
in order to place your testimony.
kó gbé síta
For
gbangba
you to just bring your testimony.
kó gbé
out.
síta gbangba
For
pa
you
ókè
to bring your testimony.
olúwa máa lo bàbá yìí fún
God has
mi
used
kó
this
kàn wà lórí wọ́ọ̀d o ò ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀
I've
rí
never done it before.
èmi gan fún ara mi ọlọ́rọ̀ o ò pè mí rí lé
And
lórí
I, my personally, you never call me on it.
àìbọ̀ ìgbà tó gún mi bá ti dé
When another
ó
person
tún sáré
says,
rántí
you're going to
àní
remember.
ibi tọ́lọ́run ti wá lò yàn fún ọ
And where God did not
ó wá
use
sọ
me.
ìgbàgbọ́ wa tẹ́lẹ̀ ní pẹ́yìn tọ́lọ̀ ń lò fún wa.
Our faith before those of
ṣé o rò pé owó nìkan náà fi ń ṣàánú èèyàn
you
ni?
think it's only money God you use?
Pé ìwọ náà nípa ẹ̀rí iṣẹ́ ìyanu tọ́lọ́run wá ti
the
ṣe fún ọ.
testimony of the work.
Ìwọ náà lè kéde ìrere ìfẹ́
You
lómi.
can propagate the gospel to
Ẹ wo
others.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pa ẹlòmíà sọ pé nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì yóò dáa.
Some will be saying the network
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó máa bú àwọn mídíà
And you even be abusing the
pé wọn ò
media.
ṣe dáadáa tó.
They are not
Kìíní
doing
kan.
well.
Meanwhile, adẹ̀ ń ràn yín lọ́wọ́ ni.
Meanwhile, we are only helping you.
Ìrànlọ́wọ́ ni.
It's just a help.
Kó kàn ronú pé òkè kí ni problem gan tí kìíní àwọn kìíní ní.
You should just think
Láì sẹ́ni tó
what's the
béèrè lọ́wọ́
problem
ẹ̀.
this thing is having without nobody asking
Mo ń
you.
benefit inú nǹkan tó ń
I'm
ṣe.
benefiting from what they are
Kí ni
doing.
nǹkan tí mo lè ṣe tẹ́mi
What
náà
can
fi lè
I do
improve wọn?
that can improve the
Ọ̀ǹtì táwa jẹ̀ bèrè táwa sọ ká olúwa ló ní kẹ́ dá owó olúwa ló ní kẹ́ ṣe lé yó ẹ wà múlẹ̀ ẹ wà máa sọ pé ẹ ti so.
And you be saying you have sold.
Ẹlòmí lẹ́nu ìgbà tí ò sí nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì ò dá lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
So
Tí mo
when the network
tá a
is
manage bá a ṣe bá a ṣe
managing how to
ẹlòmí àti máa comment. So ẹ̀yin mídíà àgbọ̀n kan tó ń sọ too bad kìíní kan àwọn òyìnbó burúkú tí ò sẹ̀yẹ kẹ́ póòsì.
both bad English that you just supposed
Nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì ló yẹ kó mọ sọ pé kò gbádùn.
you should say network is
But
not
tó bá tẹ̀ mọ́ wá sọ fáwọn ọmọ mídíà yẹn gan náà ṣẹ̀bọ́n fi iṣẹ́ tara wọn lẹ̀ ní.
even if you are going to condemn the media.
Wàá kọ̀ ẹ ó rọra bá wọn sọ àwọn òyìnbó kéékèèké tó máa fún ọ ní encouragement.
That will encourage them.
Bó o bá ti encourage ó yẹ kó encourage àwọn tó ń
Even if you don't
ṣe.
encourage me, you should encourage the people
Now
behind the
ẹlòmíì
media.
àrò débẹ̀ yẹn.
We didn't even thought of it.
Àwa tá a wá gbẹ́kẹ̀lé pé Olúwa ṣe yádu ṣe
Those
yádu.
of us that
Ẹ̀yin
rely on the
gangan náà ara
God,
ogun tá a sọ fún wa ní CAC nìyẹn.
that is a part of the problem we are having.
Ẹ ti rí CAC bí ìjọ àgbàwòsàn.
You have seen CAC as a church
Ẹ ti rí àwọn wòlíì ibẹ̀ bí àwọn wòlíì tí àánú ò yẹ fún.
that does not work mercy.
Tí wọn ò lè wọ suit.
They cannot wear suit.
Wọn à lè wọ bàtà
They
gidi.
cannot wear good
Wọn à lè
shoes.
lo aago
They
gidi.
cannot wear good
Wọn à lè lo
shoes.
mọ́tò
They
gidi.
cannot ride good cars.
Ṣùgbọ́n ogun ẹ ti rí wọn bí
But
ológun.
once this is battle, you see them as someone that can solve the battle.
Kí ló fà á torí pé kò
Why?
sáànú?
Because there is no mercy.
Kò sáànú.
There is no mercy.
Àánú náà sọ fún àní ní CAC nìyẹn.
Mercy, that is a part of
Nípa
the
àdúrà
problem we are having.
ẹ ti rí sí ẹ̀yẹn náà máa kọ́lẹ̀ tó máa pè
Many
sí ọ.
a times your pastors will
Tọ́lọ̀ ẹ̀ bá wá ní
the
the
prayer of
deliverance
the
wà á
CAC,
rántí wọ́n á rí
and
fa
they
rẹ̀
will
sí
pray
wa.
only for you when your case needs deliverance. They will remember.
Ọ̀
and
ibẹ̀ yẹn
remind
kọ́
you
ni
of-
mò ń lọ mọ́
That
kó
is
sọ
not
fún
where
mi
I'm
ni
going.
pé
I only tell you.
àwọn nǹkan kan wà tí
There
èèyàn
are
fi máa rà
some
àánú
things
gbà.
that man can use to obtain mercy.
Ìjọ ẹlòmíà sọ pé tẹ́lómi bá máa sẹ́ni méjì àti pè yín
If
àti wà
some will
lórí
send
ìkíni
message,
ṣé
if
nọ́mbà rẹ
called
nìkan
you,
la máa ṣọ́.
We've called you. I've been on
Ẹlòmíì
your
tó sọ
platform.
pé òun pè wá yẹn kó
Someone
tó
has
lọ
said it
sórílẹ̀-èdè tó lọ
before
yẹn.
you travel to the
Àwa náà
location.
lọ́lọ́run lò fún ọ̀tá
We
àgbàdúrà
are the
fún.
one that God has used for us.
Iná ètí tó lọ bátìrì kìíní yẹn náà ló tún ṣe kìíní yẹn. Sùn tí mò ń sọ fún ọ ni
What
wípé
I'm telling you is this.
Ọlọ́run lò wá fún ọ.
The Lord has used us for you.
Ìgò débẹ̀ ọ̀hún tán
Why you get there?
kí ni àbábọ̀ òun náà.
What is your outcome?
O ti gbàgbé pé ibìkan náà ló ti ráàánú gbà.
You have forgotten that you have
Bóyá
obtained
lọ́la
mercy
màá
in
sọ àwọn ìdí tí àánú kì í ṣe ń di alẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀
Maybe
yín.
tomorrow I'm going to tell the reason why many people they don't receive mercy.
Ìwọ tó ní
tonight.
Ọlọ́run mọ̀ pé ò ní.
Those of you that you don't have, God knows you don't have.
Bọ̀ tó ọkùnrin yìí.
But this man.
Ohun tó wá ṣe àwa ti wá ní pé àwọn ò wá gbójú sí ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀.
And what happens to us and we are not focusing our attention on
Bí
it.
ibi tí àánú ti lè wá.
As a place where mercy can come from.
Ẹni tó rán wa níṣẹ́
Someone who have sent
lè
us
ní kọjú sí
is whom I'm
fún
facing.
ibi tí àánú ti lè wá.
And where mercy can come from.
So pásọ̀ tó bá gbẹ́kẹ̀lé ọmọ ìjọ
The
pé àánú lè ti
pastor
lè wá.
that rely on the member of the church that mercy can come from there.
Lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà ẹni tó bá lébọ̀ fún ju àánú kì í ti lè
Most of
jáde.
the time the person you labor
Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà
on,
ni
the
ọmọ
mercy
ìjọ
cannot come out from there.
ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ tó invest sí.
Many of you, the members of the church, the many ministry invested
Lọ́pọ̀
on.
ìgbà o lè rò pé àánú lè tibẹ̀ jáde kó mọ̀ tibẹ̀
Most
jáde.
of the time you might thought mercy can come out from there and mercy
So
can
mo
not come
fẹ́
out
kẹ́ ẹ
from
ronú ara
there.
yín
I
wò
only
lónìí
want you to think
ká tó
deeply
lọ
today
gbàdúrà.
before we go
So
to pray.
four way
Ọ̀nà mẹ́rin
tí àánú pín sí tó ti gbúdọ̀ mọ́ retí.
that we can categorize mercy
Tèmi gan
on
náà
and
ti
you can
gbúdọ̀ ráàánú
expect
gbà.
that myself need to
Number one,
mercy. Number
ẹni
one,
tó máa gbẹjọ́ rẹ rò
someone who is going to advocate for
kì
you.
í ṣe adviser.
It's not an advisor.
Àwọn kan rán advice yẹn.
Some are advising you.
Àánú kọ́ nìyẹn.
That is no mercy.
Àánú kọ́.
That is no mercy.
Di ẹyọ àkọ́kọ́ yẹn mú.
Hold on to that.
Ẹni tó máa gbẹjọ́ rẹ
Someone
rò.
who will advocate for you.
Ẹni tó máa gbẹjọ́ rẹ rò.
Someone who is going to stand up for you.
Ọkùnrin ará Samaria yìí.
This man, the
Òun
Samaritan,
ló gbẹjọ́ ọkùnrin yẹn
is
rò.
the one that advocate this
Ó
man.
gbé
He carried him.
kò ń ṣe pé advice ló
It's
fún
like don't giving them
àwọn ọ̀rẹ́
advice.
kan wà wọ́n ń fún ọ ní
There are
advice
some friends that are giving you advice.
wrong advice
And even wrong advice.
tí ò lè mú kó ráàánú gbà
That can never allow you to obtain
wrong orientation
the wrong orientation.
wọ́n á fún ẹ
They give you wrong
and at the end of the day
And at the end of the
kò ní
day,
rọ̀ mọ́ nǹkan àánú
It's not going to work with mercy.
ọ̀pọ̀ wòlíì lè fún ọ ní
prophets
advice
can give you advice.
advice kì í ṣe agbẹjọ́ ẹni ro
Advice is not someone to
ọ̀pọ̀ pásọ
advocate.
ó lè fún ọ ní àmọ̀ràn
Some pastor can give you advice.
ṣùgbọ́n tí kò gbẹjọ́ rẹ rò
But now they are not advocating
ohun tó ń
for
pè
you.
ní pé kán gbẹjọ́ èèyàn rò ní pé kéèyàn defend yẹn
What for someone to advocate for you, someone
kó
to
defend yẹn níwájú èṣù
He should defend you before devil,
kó dẹ̀ divide yẹn wájú
He should defend
defend
you
yẹn wájú ọlọ́run
before God as well.
ìyẹn ni pé kó lè gbé ẹ̀bẹ̀ àdúrà rẹ
So
sọ
that
ọlọ́run
he
lọ
can take your prayer request before God.
kó lè gbé ìwé rẹ kó gbé wọlé tọ̀ ọ̀gá lọ
Be able to take your book to before
pé
the
a ní
boss.
dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì yìí ti pẹ́
And
níbí
this document has
kí ni
been on here.
dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì yìí ń ṣe
What
níbí
does this document do here?
kí ni dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì yìí ń ṣe níbí
What is the work of this document
kí ni
here?
ìwúlò dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì ń bí
What important is this document here?
irú ẹni yẹn ló need
That is the kind of person you need.
àwọn náà ń pè ní agbẹjọ́rò
That is whom you call an
ìyẹ̀gbà ẹni tó fún ọ
advocate.
lámọ̀ràn
Someone that
pé
will give you
lọ sùn
advice.
sọ́dọ̀ ọ̀gá rẹ yẹn
It is not the person that will give you
bẹ́ẹ̀
advice.
bí mẹ́ta mẹ́rin kó bọ́ ní àjọṣepọ̀
Go and speak with your
tó
boss
bá
for two,
tó bá ti ṣe
three,
yẹn
4 times. And after you have done
pé
that,
tó bá ṣe yẹn pé ó lè ṣe ṣe kó ṣàánú fún ọ
it is possible. If
wrong
I have to
advice
say,
nìyẹn
that is the wrong
kò
advice.
gbẹjọ́ rẹ rò
It's not advocating. for you.
agbẹjọ́ ẹni rò
An advocator.
wàá rí i pé ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣàpẹẹrẹ
Let's make an example.
kéèyàn pààyàn
If someone should kill
ṣe
you,
mọ̀ pé ó ń gba lọ́ọ̀yà
lawyer
yẹn á dẹ̀ dúró
and the lawyer will
ó máa
stand.
máa sọ lójú adájọ́
And even before
with evidence
before the
ó tún máa máa
judge,
sọ
will
pé
evidence,
ó mọ̀ ṣèṣì ni
and he will be telling you it's a
ọdún
mistake.
ó máa gbowó o
Though they're going to give him
ó
money,
máa gbowó iṣẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀
it's going to be paid
yóò
for his
dúró
job, but he's going to stand.
kò ní wo iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ kò ní wo pé bóyá wọ́n mọ̀lẹ́ rán lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n
He won't even mind maybe his job.
bọ̀
The job
torí pé
can lead him
o
to-
ṣáà jẹ́ client yẹ
But
client
because you are
àbí
his client,
client yẹ o
Because you are
jẹ́
his
wà á
client.
wá á dẹ̀ takú tì ọ́
he's going to stick
a máa
to
sọ
you.
fún ẹ pé site
And
sir
he is telling
a
us,
ní obìnrin yóò jẹ̀bi ọ̀rọ̀ yìí
This woman is not guilty of this
ọkùnrin
case.
yóò jẹ̀bi ọ̀rọ̀ yìí
This man is not guilty of this
a wá
case.
máa ṣíwèé
And
oríṣiríṣi
they begin to open series
a máa
of books.
ṣíwèé oríṣiríṣi a máa wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ
If
fún
you're
ọ
looking for where out
ibi
for
tí
you,
àánú pín sí ni mò ń sọ
that
fún ọ
is
yẹn
the categories of
ẹni tí
mercy.
ó máa gbẹjọ́ ẹ̀
Someone who is going to
Yóò dúró tì ọ́.
is going to stand with
yóò
you,
máa defend ẹ
be defending
ṣe ẹ rí
you.
i pé lónìí
Can you see today?
ọ̀pọ̀ pásọ̀ láwọn agbẹjọ́rò
Many pastors they don't have an advocate.
ẹ rí i pé pásọ̀ kì í rí agbẹjọ́rò
Pastor don't normally see an
ìdí
advocate.
nìyẹn mo máa ń sọ fáwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi nínú
That
Olúwa
is why you tell my friends
pé
in the Lord
ọmọ ìjọ
that member of
kò
the
lè
church
jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ tí ogun bá dé
can
o
never be your advocate in the time of trouble.
rárá o
No.
tán bá sọ̀rọ̀ ìbàjẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ kan báyìí
Why they tell about your
wàá rí i pé
evil deeds
àwọn
of
tọ́lọ̀
life,
gan ti lù ọ́ fún
the
jù gan
people God has used
lára
for
wọn ló
the
máa
most,
kàn ọ́ má gbélé
they are part of them will be the one to lay you to the
lára
cross.
wọn gan ló máa kàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
That is it.
wọn à ní rántí ọjọ́ kan
They will
ṣoṣo
not remember a
tó ṣe
single
wọ́n lóore.
day that have been of help to them.
wọn à ní rò pé ok ẹni gan àǹtí wòlíì obìnrin kì í ṣe áńgẹ́lì
And they will not even thought that this lady evangelist or a prophetess is not an angel.
ọkùnrin kì í ṣe áńgẹ́lì
This man is not an
láti
angel.
lè fàdúrà ràn ọ́
In order
lọ́wọ́
to help you with
iye wọn ò
prayer.
ní ṣí sírú
Their
ìyàwó
mind will not be open to
ohun
that
tó yẹ ni
prayer.
pé àmà kan lù mọ́ ọ lórí
And the
ìwé
only thing they will do is to
Kò lè
hammer your
jábọ́.
head so that you can fall.
now agbẹjọ́rò
An advocate
yóò dúró fún ọ
is going to
and
stand
tó bá
with
kú
you.
òun nìkan
Say, if it only is left
òun á
with you,
dúró tì ọ́
he's going to stand with
títí
you
tó fi máa rí òpin
until he's going to see the end
jọ
of the
ibi tó
case.
ti wò mí èèyàn wo ló ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí agbẹjọ́rò
And where you're watching me, whom did you have as your advocate?
sọ ta ló ní bí agbẹjọ́rò
Who is the person you have that can solicit
ọkùnrin yẹn sọ
for you?
fún mi láàrin ó ní prophet
The man told me,
my father
say, Baba, mi
ẹ
will
gbé ìwé owó ńlá lẹ̀
you drop a big money, a huge amount of money,
ẹ adopt mi
and you adopted
èmi
me.
aláìní
I, someone
ẹ
that
wá
does not
fi
have
ẹni
anything,
tó ní owó yẹn
and you
sílẹ̀
abandon the person that
mo
was
ní
rich.
ọ̀gá
I said, bro,
mo ní mo ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni
I said, I've learned a lot.
owó ò tó Olúwa
Money cannot be compared
kò
to
sírú
God.
nǹkan tó kò sírú ipò tó lè wà kò
There
sírú
is
owó tó
no
lè ní
position you can cover or you are or the money you have
tó lè jọ mí lójú
that I can be.
lọ béèrè àwọn tó máa ń wá fún kánsẹ́lì
Go
lọ́dọ̀ mi
and ask those that do come to
mo
cancel.
máa sọ fún ọ pé
I used to tell
ibi o
them
bá tò sí
the level where you have
ibẹ̀ ló lọ sí
That is where you
tí wọn
go.
bá sọ pé you are honourable lágbájá
No one else, you are
a business lágbájá ayé ara rẹ ló jẹ sí aláìní òní yẹn
and the person that does
ó
not
lè
today
dọ̀la kó di ọlọ́rọ̀.
can be a rich man to
àwọn tí ọlọ́run máa ń
the
respect
people God do respect.
àwọn lẹni tó rẹ ara wọn
They are
sílẹ̀
the one that pay God.
tí ó rẹ ayé ara wọn sílẹ̀
That humble their lives.
òtítọ́ la ẹ̀gbọ́n
That
yẹn
is
lè
a fact. And you
tí
are
mo
there.
sọ fún ọ ni pé ta ni agbẹjọ́rò rẹ ó yẹ kó máa dì mú pé olúwa mo fẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò
You should
kan
hold on to it and
ohun
you
tó
need
ń pè
an
láàánú
advocate.
nìyẹn
That is
àwọn
what
nǹkan tá a
promise.
máa fi gbàdúrà
These are
lónìí
the part
nìyẹn
of the thing you are going to use to pray tonight.
fún cross over night
For
lálẹ́
God's overnight
o
program.
gbúdọ̀ ní agbẹjọ́rò
You
kan
must have an advocate.
nínú ẹ̀mí tí o mọ
There
gbẹjọ́
is a
ẹ̀
spirit that will advocate you.
nílé
for you.
ọkọ ẹ̀ tí ó gbẹjọ́
Your
ẹ̀
husband's house that
pé
will
tó o
advocate
bá
you.
ìwà nínú ilé
That
iṣẹ́
if he's still in this
o ò
house,
ní fi ilé ọkọ ẹ̀
you will
sílẹ̀
never leave your
tó o
marriage.
bá ìwà níbi bíi
If he's still here,
ọmọkùnrin ló máa fẹ́
you're going to get married to this
tó
man.
bá ti bá ìwà nílùú yìí
If I'm still in this
ṣe é
country,
pé irú wọ̀nyí ni ò sí lamẹ́ríkà
you know, that
lọ́dọ̀
is the place, that is what we don't have in London. and
ẹ
America.
rí ibi táwọn èèyàn á ti máa tàn ọ́
You see where people will be
ẹ̀rí
deceiving.
pa mí ń jọ̀kùn mo wà níbì kan ní Europe
maybe for the last some times ago, I was in a place in Europe.
ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan wá jáde
Then a friend of mine came out
ó wá ń fi àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà rẹ̀
and he was making jest of the
ó
Nigerian.
lẹ́nìkan fẹ́ ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́
Somebody
ìdọ́kẹ́ lórí
want,
kìnìún
somebody want to help him.
tó bóyá bátìrì ẹ̀ ni so tí mo sọ fún ọ ni wípé
What I'm telling you is,
ó ní dáàdi
he said, Daddy,
ó ní ibí yìí lòun lọ o
that is where he's going.
tó yẹ kó o ti já dúró láyé ìgbà yẹn
That he should have stopped him then.
pé ibi bíi ni o
This
pé
is the
ọmọ
place-
Nàìjíríà tó rí tó pa rẹ̀ lára ló sọ pé
Nigeria and he saw that
ibẹ̀ yẹn máa
God
jìnnà ó
is
jìnnà
saying, that
gan
place is very
pé
far.
ó jìnnà o
Ah, the place
ó
is
bẹ̀rẹ̀
very
tí
far.
fún lámọ̀ràn
They begin
ó
to
ṣe
give him
pé
advice.
bọ̀ a máa ṣẹ́tù kan
Say, but we're
a máa
going to
ṣẹ́tù
settle
kan
so
owó
something.
díẹ̀ tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ láti Nàìjíríà
The little money he
ó wá
has with him
gbà
from Nigeria.
ó wá lọ mú gba bíi mẹ́ẹ̀lì mẹ́sàn-án
And he created the
wọ́n
money
lọ
from
wọ́n lọ wọ
here.
mọ́tò wọ́n wá
and
mú ráǹdì
They
wọ́n
take
mú
him round,
ráǹdì
they take
wọ́n
him
mú
round,
ráǹdì
they take him round.
wọ́n débi àkọ́kọ́ torí
When
pé
they
èèyàn ò
get
mọ̀bì
because,
kankan
because he didn't know anywhere.
ẹni tó rò pé ó mọ̀ ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́
Someone he thought is going to help him.
ẹni ẹ̀ kàn gbowó
The
lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀
person just collect money.
bẹ́ẹ̀
from
náà
him.
ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín lọ
Likewise, many of you over
ẹ̀yin tẹ́
there.
ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ iye yẹn á ṣí sí àwọn
Those
kan
of
tí mo
you
sọ
that you are there, you
ẹni
understand
tó
what
rò
I'm
pé ó mọ̀
saying.
gbẹjọ́ rẹ
The
rò
person you thought is going to
kò
advocate.
ní kò gbárò ó lè fún ọ lámọ̀ràn
He won't even solicit for
àmọ́
you.
tó wà
He's
fún ọ
going
lè
to
sọ
give
pé
an advice.
má bá mi ṣe wọlé wọ̀de
The advice he will give is say just let's
mo
be
jẹ
a
àfikà
friend
mọ̀ fẹ́ra
and let's take
ìyẹn máa jẹ́
ourselves.
kó tètè yá
That will make it
bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn
faster.
option oríṣiríṣi
And
wà
he will give you series of
tó
options.
jẹ́ pé tó bá rí agbẹjọ́rò
That if you can see an
fúnra rẹ̀ ló
advocate,
máa sọ fún ọ pé ṣe báyìí
he will tell you do something like
eléyìí
this.
máa easy fún ẹ
This one is going to easy for
eléyìí
you.
máa jẹ́ ọ̀nà
This is going to be a way.
irú ohun tó ń pè láàánú nìyẹn
This is what we call mercy.
àánú ọ̀nà mẹ́rin ló pín sí
Mercy is divided
níní
in four ways.
agbẹjọ́rò
Having
underline this statement àánú agbẹjọ́rò yàtọ̀ sí agbaniníyànjú
and there is difference between an advocate and an advisor.
ẹni tó mọ̀ kẹ̀kẹ́ àwọn oníyànjú
Someone who is going to
tàbí
give you
tó
an
tó gbà ọ́
advice.
lámọ̀ràn
They're going to give you an
ó
advice.
yàtọ̀ síra
They are different.
àwọn àmọ̀ràn kan wà ó máa ń wọ̀kì àwọn
There's
kan wà
some
kì í wọ̀kì
advice work, some advice will
so
not
mi
work.
sọ̀rọ̀ lórí àmọ̀ràn
I'm
lónìí
not talking about
mo
advice
ń
today,
sọ̀rọ̀ lórí agbẹjọ́
but
ẹni
I'm
rò
talking about an advocate.
agbẹjọ́rò òde ọ̀run
A solicitor.
òun ló ní ìdí nílùú ibi tó wà yẹn
That is what
òun náà ń
you
gbèdé
need
gangan ní
in your life.
àánú ibi tí àánú
That
gbé
is
sílẹ̀
what we call mercy.
so o ní ìdí ẹ̀
You need it.
náà ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ ayé ọkùnrin yẹn dayọ̀ tán
When the case of that man become joy,
ó wá lóun ò lè wúrú ìwà ilé
he
yìí
said he cannot act like that.
ó wá lọ mo wá ní ọ̀gá
I said, bro,
tó bá ro nǹkan tán ṣe sí ọ nílùú yìí
why you thought of
ó
what
ní
he
ran ọmọ
did to you?
Nàìjíríà kankan náà
You will
lọ́wọ́
never help any
ohun tó máa fi
Nigerian.
hàn gẹ́gẹ́ bí àpẹẹrẹ rere
That what will show you as a good
ọ̀gá ni
example.
wọ́n ní ẹ̀sà
And the brother
ìwé
said,
òun
he said his own book.
ẹlòmíràn ló fi ń ṣiṣẹ́
He said his own green card to
pé
other people are using it to
pé
work.
ayé ò lè
That the life is not
nítorí
that
pé
difficult.
lágbẹjọ́rò ni
That is what we call an advocate.
olùgbaninímọ̀ràn ju tiẹ̀ 60-40 ni.
And your advisor is 60-40.
ẹ má bínú o ó ti ohun tí mò ń sọ yẹn ti yé ẹ̀yin tó yé o
What I'm saying,
ẹ
some
ti
of
mọ̀
you
nípa tí mò ń
understand.
pè ní 60-40
You know what I understand
tàbí
by
75-30
or 70,
75-25 ẹ pé
65.
ìlú òyìnbó èmi náà mo máa ń lọ
You know,
lójoojúmọ́
I travel abroad this time with
ní
that.
travel láàrin oṣù méjì mo gbúdọ̀ travel
At least within
so
2
èmi
months,
náà
I need to
mo
travel.
mọ orí ìyà tí ẹ̀yin ará ìlú òyìnbó tẹ́ ń ṣe kíni tẹ́ ń face
I know work and it's
kì í ṣe lóyìnbó yẹn nìkan dé Nàìjíríà níbi
not in
jùlọ
abroad alone, but even
o fẹ́
to
gba
Nigeria.
contract ẹni tó
Want
sọ
to
pé
get
ó
a
máa
contract,
front
someone
fún
that
ọ
said he's going to front for you.
irọ́ ni o
No, that's a lie.
kò front o
It's not fronting.
even though ẹni tó rò pé agbẹjọ́rò rẹ̀ gan nínú ẹ̀ ní your spiritual mother
Even the person you
your
talk and
spiritual
advocate
father
for you, your
ìjọ
spiritual
tó bá mọ̀
mother.
wípé kò dúró síbi tó yẹ kó dúró sí fọlọ́ á tó mọ̀
The day you understand that they are not standing where they supposed
ìdí
to stand
nìyẹn
for
tó
them,
fi
that is when
gbúdọ̀
you-
gbàdúrà ká
that is
agbẹjọ́rò
why you
tiẹ̀
must pray to your own
tó
advocate.
jẹ́ pé tó bá gbé ọ̀rọ̀ lọ wájú ẹ̀
Whenever you take a case before them,
ọ̀rọ̀ ayé ẹ̀ máa ká lára
they will take your life serious.
yóò fẹ́ wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ
And
fún
they
ọ.
will want to look for way out for you.
ọ̀nà àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn.
That is the first way.
ìkejì
Number two
ní ètò ìṣúná
is
ìṣúná owó.
your finance.
nírú àkókò yẹn ẹni tó fowó ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́
At that point, someone that
tó
helps
fi
you with
owó
money,
ṣàánú fún ọ.
use money to help you.
Àwọn ibi tó ti ní ìdíyànú ni mo
These
sọ
are the
yìí.
areas you need.
Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé company tó fẹ́ dálẹ̀
You know, the company you
ó
want
dá
to
lórí pé
establish,
kó rẹ́nìkan fowó ràn ẹ́
you
lọ́wọ́.
need someone to help you with
Ó
money.
dá lórí pé kó rí ẹnìkan kò sí gbogbo téèyàn fẹ́ ṣe láyé tí ò ní ìdòwò.
There is nothing you want to do in this world that does
Àti
not
iṣẹ́
need
Olúwa o,
money. Even the work of God,
àti iṣẹ́ ara o,
even the physical
owó
work,
gbogbo nǹkan tó ń gbọ́ mi báyìí.
everything you are hearing from
Tówó
me,
bá wà lọ́wọ́ wa.
you have money with us.
Íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì orí òní lọ, àwọn
The
íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì
internet-
kan náà pàpà wà Nàìjíríà tó ń stable
There are
dáadáa.
some internet in Nigeria that can stable very
Mo
well.
torí pé àti ìkan àwọn tí a rán sí
you
wa.
are here to meet with those that was
Bẹ́ẹ̀
sent
náà
here.
ni bísínẹ́sì ẹ yẹn.
Likewise your business.
Ibi tó yẹ kó ti fi mílíọ̀nù
Here
ìrìn
you're
ṣe
supposed
bísínẹ́sì.
to use million for
Ẹni
business.
tó fẹ́ fún ọ lówó 100,000
Person
ló
that
fún ọ.
want to give you money,
Kí
give
ló
you
fẹ́ fi
100,000.
100,000 ṣe?
What are you going to do with
Níwọ̀n tó
100,000?
ní project tó wọ̀ tí 200 million,
You
50
that have
million.
a project that worth 250
So àwọn
million.
ibi tí mo ti fẹ́ kó mọ̀ wo àánú rèé.
These are the areas I want you to
A
expect.
ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí agbẹjọ́rò.
We are talking about advocates.
Ìyẹn gan tó mú
And
dọ̀là.
that is alone is enough to talk
Láì sọ nǹkan mìíràn.
without even saying any other thing.
Ẹni tó máa fowó ràn ẹ́
Now
lọ́wọ́.
the person that will help you with
Mo
money.
ti sọ nǹkan kan rí
I
ní.
have said
Mo
something
lọ
here before.
mínísítà ń gbà kan ní
I went
Europe.
to minister in a place
Wọ́n
in Europe.
mínísítà débì kan.
And I minister to a point.
Inú ọkùnrin kan wá dùn sí mi.
Then the man was happy with me.
Pé bàbá èyí ló gbàdúrà tó
Baba,
lé.
you are the one that pray up to
Ó
this
wá
extent.
mú bóyá 50 euros lówó
Maybe
tó wà
you
lọ́wọ́
just
ẹ̀.
speak 50 euros is happy with
Ó
me.
wá fi sẹ́sẹ̀ mi.
Then they place it by my feet.
Mo wá gbàdúrà.
Then I pray.
Mo ní kí ló fẹ́.
I said, what did you
Ó ní
want?
kí n ṣá gbàdúrà
He said, I
fún.
should just pray
Mo
for him.
gbàdúrà pé
Then I
bọ̀
pray
iye
for
òun ṣí.
He said, but his understanding was open.
Mo wá lo àṣẹ ọ̀rọ̀ kan.
Then I used the word of authority.
Mo ní ẹni tó máa kàn
I said, the person you will meet
tí ó máa fi owó ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́ kọjá
that will
agbára
help
ẹ̀.
you with money more than your power.
Tó máa fowó ṣàánú fún
That
ọ.
will help you with money.
Èrè ló pé.
He thought it was a
Mo
joke.
wá dá ọjọ́ mọ́
Then
oṣù.
I gave a date and a month.
Kò wá ju bí oṣù kan síra.
It's not more than a month.
Bóyá ìpàdé òyìnbó kan ni.
And he met with the mind.
Wọ́n máa ríra tẹ́lẹ̀ o.
They normally
Ó
see
wá
that-
jẹ́ gbà tí owó ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wọ́n ti
and that
ẹkọ́nọ́mì
is when
Nàìjíríà tó dáa.
the economy of Nigeria was
Ká má sọ
a
fún
bit
tó kù.
good. We shouldn't say something.
Ẹni ẹ wá sọ fún pé
And the person said,
what do you want?
kí ló fẹ́?
Ó wá ní òun nídìí kó máa fi owó ṣe
He
business
said,
ní pé
he want to
tó
use
bá rí
money.
euro
If you get a euro,
òun á máa fún àwọn èèyàn.
he will give to people for
Wọ́n á máa
exchange.
fún òun ní owó
And they will
Nàìjíríà.
be giving him Nigerian money.
Ẹni ẹ wá sọ pé bí èlò ló ní.
And the person said, how much do you need?
Ó wá lóun onítòun bá tẹ̀ rí bí 5,000.
Say,
Bí
If
5,000.
you can get 5,000 euro.
Ohun tó ìbọn ẹ̀ sọ fún ni pé you are not serious.
And the white man said, oh, serious?
Ó tó ní èlò ló ní.
How much did you
Ó ní
need?
I said 5,000.
Well, you already
Ẹni ẹ sọ
5,000.
pé o ò
The
serious.
person said, you are not
Máa
serious.
wo tán pè láàánú.
Look at what become a
Ó wá
sin.
lọ bá pastor ẹ̀.
Then he went to meet the pastor.
Pastor ẹ̀ wá sọ pé
And the
prophet
pastor
Olúwa
said,
ló gbàdúrà fún
Prophet,
ọ.
I don't pray for you.
Ó ìgbàgbọ́ ẹ̀ ò rọ̀ mọ́ ni.
Haven't
Ó
you
ló rò pé nìyẹn mú
your
un
faith?
ṣeré ni.
Is it the person? I thought the person was making just.
Ó wá padà lọ.
Then he went back to
Pé
me.
èló ló ní ìdí
How much did he need?
Pé fún mi ní 10,000.
Oh yeah, give me 10,000.
Ẹni ẹ sọ pé a ní you are not serious.
And the person said, you are
Ó
still not
rí
serious.
pé owó yìí o kò tó ẹ ṣe nǹkan
The
kan.
money is not enough to do
Ó tún lọ
anything.
fíìmù ló pé
He thought it was a film.
ìṣòro tí àánú bá dé
You know, when Mercy
ó
comes,
máa dàbí ìgbà tí èèyàn ń ṣe fíìmù.
it's going to be as if you are
Ó
acting.
máa dàbí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé kò ní yé wọ̀ fún ara
And
ẹ̀.
you yourself, you know,
Ohun tó ń pè láàánú
understand.
pẹ̀lú orí ọ̀fẹ́
That is
nìyẹn.
what we call mercy and
Ó
grace.
wá tó padà lọ.
Then he went back.
Màá bá sọ wá gbà nímọ̀ òkè
And
sọ
Papa-
pé 20 euros 20,000.
Papa Pastor that gave me an advice, said 20,000 euros.
Bó ṣe débẹ̀.
When he
He
gets
said it means you don't know what you want to do.
síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ ò tí ì mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́
Èló ló
ṣe.
fẹ́ fi 20,000 euros.
What do you want to do with 20,000 euros?
Because you don't know kì í ṣe òyìnbó ló sọ ọ́ o.
It's not the white man that
Èdè
said
ìlú yẹn ni o.
he's speaking in Italo
Torí pé
language.
o mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́
Because you
sọ.
don't know what you want to say.
Okay, I will give you 50,000
Màá fún ẹ ní 50,000 euros.
euro. Ó fẹ́ lè dákú.
The man almost fainted.
Ó fẹ́ lè dákú.
He almost fainted.
50,000 euro.
50,000 euros.
Ohun tó fi dìde láyé ni.
That is what make you.
Ẹ wá gbọ́.
Then listen.
Ó wá béèrè pé ìgbà wo ni kún san.
Then he was asking why you should
You
pay
can
for the
you
money.
can san ní 5 years.
You can
3
pay it
years,
back for
8
5 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years.
Kìíní kan. So, ta ló sọ fún ẹ pé òyìnbó yẹn lè pé 20 years tàbí
Who
10
told
years?
you that the white man can
The
give 10
agreement.
years before he's dead? Is dead.
Agreement
And
nìyẹn.
that is the agreement between
So
them.
kò ní kò ní specific time.
They have a specific time.
Àánú mà lélẹ́yìí.
That is mercy.
Ẹni tí ó fi ètò ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́ nípa ti ètò ìṣúná.
Someone who is going to help you on finance aspect.
Nípa ètò ìṣúná.
Someone who is going to help you with the finance aspect.
Ìkejì. Onídìí ìrànlọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
You need help from that area.
Jẹ́ kí n fún ọ kẹta.
Let me give you the third
Torí àkókò mi.
because of my time.
Òun náà ni mo pè é pé ìgbé ayé ẹ̀mí.
So I call it the spiritual life.
Onídìí aláàánú nípa ti ìgbé ayé ti
You
ẹ̀mí.
need helper, a merciful one, a benefactor through the things of the spirit.
Ìgbé ayé ẹlòmíì ló nídìí àánú lé lórí kò sí nǹkan mi.
Some people you only need your life.
Ẹni tó lè wà pẹ̀lú ẹbí prayer partner.
Someone that can stay with you like prayer
Ẹni
partners.
tí ó máa darí ẹ ní ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
Someone will be directing you with the word of God.
Ẹni tí ó fi òye ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run yí
Someone
ọ.
is going to enlighten you with the word
Irú
of God.
nǹkan tó nídìí
These
lélẹ̀.
are the things you need.
Irú ibi tó ti nídìí àánú
These are the
ni.
areas you need
So
mercy.
àwọn nǹkan tó ò rí nìyẹn.
They are the things you've never
So
seen.
o ò rí ẹni ràn lọ́wọ́
You
nípa
don't
ti
see
ẹ̀mí.
someone to help you
Ẹlòmíì
spiritually.
kò lè gbàdúrà.
Some they cannot pray.
Even the country tó wà.
Even the country you
Sọ
have,
pé kò sáyé àdúrà
you know,
púpọ̀
you
mẹ́.
don't have time to pray.
Kò sí torí ẹlòmíràn yẹn ẹ̀rí kò
Because
sí
some,
church.
there is no church.
Mo fẹ́ lọ state ìlú kan báyìí.
I want to travel to.
Mo fẹ́ lọ bẹ̀ yẹn
I want to travel to a
ní
country.
France.
I want to travel to a country in France.
Mo lè pè ní state
I
níbẹ̀.
can call it a
Mo wá
state.
béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ mi kan tó wà
And I was
lọ́gbà.
asking one of
Báwo
my
ni
sons.
àwọn Nigerians ṣe pọ̀ tó síbẹ̀?
How did Nigeria?
Àwọn wá ní
What number?
wọn pọ̀ púpọ̀.
How many of Nigerians are living there?
Cameroon.
The Cameroons.
Àwọn bó la ṣe ń pè wọ́n yìí. Àwọn àràbọ̀ àwọn oríṣiríṣi
A
ló
lot
wà
of
bẹ̀.
people, different countries that are there.
Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ ìwọ ò gbọ́ èdè àwọn yẹn?
You don't understand this.
Báwo ló ṣe
language.
fẹ́ rí ẹni ẹ̀mí bọ́ gbàdúrà pa?
How will you get someone in the spirit to pray with you?
Ibi tó bá ara ẹ
Where you meet
kò sí
yourself.
ẹni tó lè fàdúrà
There is
tó
nobody
lè jẹ́ prayer
that
partner
can be your prayer partner
nínú ẹ̀mí
in the
tàbí
spirit,
tẹ́ ẹ lè jọ máa jọ
or that you can go
wo Bíbélì
search the Bible
láti jọ máa wojú
in
Ọlọ́run.
order to see the
Irú
face
àwọn
of God.
eré àwọn yìí
Such
ẹ
area,
nídìí àánú
you
mẹ́.
need mercy there.
Náà sọ pé prayer partner ẹ
You know your prayer partner.
ó lè jẹ́ pé online prayer partners.
It might be online prayer
Ó lè
partner.
jẹ́ pé ẹni yẹn ó lè jẹ́ pé yóò kàn mú ẹ̀ẹ́kẹ̀jọ bára pàdé.
The person you might just meet with him,
Ó fẹ́ràn àdúrà.
and the person loves
Kò
prayer.
dẹ̀ kò sí bó ṣe lè bọ́ lọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ tọ́lọ́n kì í
And
gbọ́.
there's no how you talk to God that God will not answer.
Onídìrí
You
yẹn
need
àwọn
someone
ọ̀nà
like
tí
that.
àánú
These are the areas that
ìkẹrin
fall.
gangan ní ìrànlọ́wọ́.
The fourth one is help.
Ìrànlọ́wọ́
Help.
ó tún yàtọ̀ sí ètò ìṣúná owó.
It's quite different from that of
Ẹni tó máa ru ẹrù
finance.
ayé ẹ.
Someone who carry the load of the life.
Tó máa ru ẹrù ayé ẹ.
That will carry the load of the life.
Tó máa ru ẹrù ayé
That will
ẹ.
carry the load of
For
the life.
example, ẹ jẹ́ kí n lo nǹkan kan for
Let me
example.
use something as an example.
Nígbà kan tó lúwa ní kí n mú ìjọ lọ sí Europe.
And sometimes ago that when God said I should take a church to Europe,
Ẹ gbọ́ àǹtí mi kan tó wá ń bá wa ṣe tí mo pè ní lady evangelist.
and one of my sisters that I call lady evangelist,
Ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé kò tí ì lọ sí school.
you could say she has not go to seminary.
Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo èèyàn tó bá ti rí wọ́n ti ń pè ní pastors.
But whenever they see her, they call her pastor.
Kò ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ wípé iṣẹ́ yẹn ka lára bíi pé iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ ni.
And you see that she's so take that work
Bí
important
mo
as
sì
it
ti
is.
ṣe máa débẹ̀,
And when I got there,
ẹlòmíràn interpreter ló ṣe.
another person is an
Mo rí ẹlòmíràn tó
interpreter.
ní church ibi tó ń lọ
I
sí.
see someone that has a church that is
Ó
going,
dẹ̀ máa kọ́kọ́ wá sọ́dọ̀ mi
and they will first come to my
láti
place
kọ́kọ́ interpret
in order
fún
to
mi.
interpret for me.
Torí mi gbọ́ èdè orílẹ̀-èdè
Because
yẹn.
I don't understand the
Kó tó
language of
ọba
that
tún
country.
ṣe ẹ̀tàn yóò ṣe tó mọ̀ sáré padà lọ.
After we are through with the
Sí
service,
church
he
yẹn.
will rush back to his
Mi ò
church.
mọ̀ bóyá Yorùbá mi
I don't know, maybe you
fún
understand
nǹkan
the
pè ní
language
ìrànlọ́wọ́.
of what we call
Ẹni tó máa ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́.
someone that will help you.
Àwọn ọ̀nà tí àánú pín sí lélẹ̀.
The diverse ways we can categorize mercy.
So àánú yẹn ló máa ń jẹ́ kéèyàn rí ẹni tó máa ràn lọ́wọ́.
Will make you to see someone that will help
Àánú
you.
ló máa ń jẹ́ kí ètò ìṣúná ènìyàn kó lọ òkè.
It is mercy that will make one's finance to grow.
Àánú ló máa ń gba agbẹjọ́rò fún ènìyàn.
Mercy will bring an advocate for man.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àánú ló máa ń sọ ènìyàn pọ̀ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹni ẹ̀mí.
Likewise, it is mercy that tie one together with someone.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi wòlíì kan.
A friend of mine, a prophet.
Program tá a parí ní last week.
The program we completed last
Odidi orí
week.
òkè márùn-ún ló lọ sí fún mi.
About 5 mountains he went to because of me.
Wá ká lè ṣàṣeyọrí.
Number one, for us to
Tí
succeed,
a lè ní àṣeyọrí.
for us to have a
Ó lọ orí
success.
òkè.
He went to 5
Kí
mountains
ìrànlọ́wọ́ lè dìde
for help to rise.
níbi tí iṣẹ́ yẹn dé sí.
At the point where the
Mi ò dẹ̀ mọ̀
And I don't know.
but àwọn tó wá rí láwọn orí òkè
But
tó
the
lọ sí
people that saw him on the mountains, he threw
ṣe kíní yẹn jọ mí lójú débi pé
I take it as so important.
tẹ́lẹ̀ mo máa ń rò pé mi nìkan ni mo máa ń wúlò fún èèyàn.
At times, I normally think I'm the only one that is
kíní
useful.
yẹn ó wá tì mí débi pé
And this thing pushed me to an extent.
mo ní ogun ti ṣẹ́ fún
I
mi
said the battle has
pé
conquered.
èmi náà ti wá rẹ́ni tó lè lọ máa gbàdúrà fún
So
mi.
I have seen someone who can go and be praying for
mo
me.
ti wá rẹ́ni tó lè máa fàdúrà ràn mí
I have
lọ́wọ́.
seen someone that can help you with
mo ní
prayers.
nítòótọ́ ogun ti wá
I
ṣẹ́
said
fún mi
for
báyìí.
real, the battle has
ohun tí
conquered.
mò
for
ń
me.
sọ fún ọ ni wípé
What I'm telling you
ní
is,
àwọn ọ̀nà mẹ́rin
on these 4
o
ways,
ní ìdí ìrànlọ́wọ́.
you need help.
ìpín tí ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó pín sínú
And that is the categories of help.
number 1 yẹn ṣe pàtàkì
The
fún ọ.
first one is very
1
important. to
and 4
you. 1 and 4,
ìyẹn ni pé agbẹjọ́rò.
that is an
ṣe pé
advocate.
Jésù wá jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò
You
fún
know,
wa.
Jesus is our advocate.
ó wá jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò
He
fún
came
wa.
as a solicitor.
wòlíì lè
for us.
jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò fún ọ.
Prophet can be a solicitor.
ọkọ
for you.
ẹ lè jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò
Your
fún ọ.
husband might be your
aya lè
advocate.
jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò
Your
fún
wife
ọ.
might be an advocate. for
ọ̀rẹ́
you.
kan lè fi
Even
ẹ̀mí ara ẹ̀
a
sílẹ̀
friend can lay down his or his
kí ó
life
jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò
to be
fún
an
ọ.
advocate for you.
so àwọn ẹnìkan lè wà wọ́n á fi ẹbí wọn sílẹ̀ wọ́n á dẹ̀ ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́.
Some people, they will abandon their family and they will help you.
ohun tó ń pè láàánú
That
nìyẹn.
is what we call
tó
mercy.
bá ní question
They have questions.
nọ́mbà àná
Then yesterday
tí wọ́n
number
ń pè sí
that you're calling.
kásáré tún dá èyí díẹ̀
Let's
lóhùn.
quickly have a few of
bóyá
them.
ẹ̀yin kan ẹ̀ tún lè benefit
Maybe some of you can benefit
nínú ìbéèrè àti dáhùn
on
yìí
the question
ká
and
tó lọ
answer
gba àdúrà.
before we go to pray.
so yẹn ni wípé
That means
bóyá o ní ìbéèrè
if you have
mo
questions,
gbàgbọ́ pé ó yẹ kí àwọn media group ó yẹ kí wọ́n ti máa bá wa sẹ́ndì
I believe
kí wọ́n ti
the
máa bá wa
media
pè
crew should have
sórí ẹ̀.
transmitted
ìrànlọ́wọ́
the number.
ó mà lágbára púpọ̀.
Help is so
so
powerful.
àánú ọ̀nà mẹ́rin ló pín sí. so
The mercy is on
mo
4
mo
ways.
sọ fún ọ
And I told you,
nígbà tí mo gbéra
when I take off,
ẹni tó máa ran ìpè mi lọ́wọ́
someone that will help my
kì
calling
í mọ̀ ń ṣọmọ ìyá mi
is not my father's
kì
child,
í ṣọmọ ìyá mi
is not my mother's
kì í
child,
ṣe ẹbí mi
is not my
ó jẹ́
family,
ìṣọmọ ìlú mi.
is not even my
ibẹ̀ lẹ́lòmíràn ti fojú sọ́dọ̀ ọmọ ìlú ẹ̀.
And some you are even thinking you're someone from your
èmi
hometown.
náà wá ń sọ nǹkan kan fún lady
And
evangelist
I'm
yẹn
telling
báyìí
the lady
wọ́n á máa
evangelist,
sọ pé ǹjẹ́ ọmọ pé kì í ṣe torí tiẹ̀ gangan ni mo ṣe wá sílùú yìí.
and I used to tell her, I'm not coming to this town because of you.
torí ẹni gangan tí mo ṣe wá sílùú
The
yìí
person I probably came because
o
of
èmi lolúwa rán sí
I'm the one the Lord sent you.
olúwa lè má rán sí
The
mi
Lord might not send the person to
but
you,
you
but you,
olúwa rán ọ sí mi
the Lord send you to me,
olúwa dẹ̀ rán èmi náà
and
sí
the
ọ
Lord send me to
so
you.
ó túmọ̀ sí pé àánú nìyẹn
That means
so kó lè
mercy.
mọ irú àwọn àdúrà tá a
So
fẹ́ gbà
that you know
lónìí
the type of prayer we want to pray
ni
in
mo
the
ṣe ń
midnight.
sọ eléyìí fún
That
ọ
is why I'm telling you.
so
So,
ṣẹ́rí tí èèyàn bá ṣí
a man understand his
èèyàn kì í
trouble,
pẹ́ nínú ìṣòro
man will not stay long
Tí
in the
èèyàn bá ṣí,
problem. One man understand
èèyàn
his
kì í
trouble,
pẹ́ nínú ogun.
man will not stay long
So
in the
if you
battle.
have question,
Once you have question,
wà á lọ orí question yẹn direct.
go to the question directly,
Wà á dẹ̀ dá ọ
and
lóhùn
we're going to
ká
answer
tó lọ
you
gbàdúrà.
before we pray.
Torí ànípẹ́ púpọ̀
Because we're
lónìí
not
mo
going
ti
to
sọ
stay long
fún yín.
today. I told you.
So but gbóhùn sókè nítorí
But
fẹ́ sọ
just raise up
lílé
your voice.
080
080
38
38
18
18
25
25
11.
11.
So ohun tó máa pè sí nìyẹn.
That is what you call on.
Hello. Ẹ ṣe ìyá mi. Okay. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti lọ sẹ́mínárì. Now ìgbà tẹ́ wá lọ sẹ́mínárì yẹn ṣé ẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ olúwa yẹn ní Canada níbi tẹ́ wà? Ẹ ṣe. Okay. Ẹ ṣe òun náà ni mo ṣe ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yẹn. Ṣé rí ṣé bíbélì pé ẹni tó bá fi ọwọ́ kan ohun èlò ìtùlẹ̀ tó bá bojú wẹ̀yìn ó ní kò yẹ fún ìjọba Ọlọ́run. Now ṣé rí orílẹ̀-èdè tẹ́ wà yẹn ó nídìí ìrere. Condition tẹ́bi lè gbé ara ṣẹ́rí kò sí ẹni tó máa ń fi tọlọ́run ṣáájú tí ọlọ́run kì í dá lóhùn ṣẹ́gbọ́ Yorùbá mi báyìí mà kò sí ẹni tó máa ń fi tọlọ́run ṣáájú ṣẹ́rí ẹgẹ́ àmọ̀ràn ni o mi ní sọ pé kẹ́ ẹ gbàdúrà ẹ múra sí evangelism nínú ìlú yẹn ẹ múra sí ẹ lé orí olórí wò kẹkàn yẹn ni pé ẹ gbàdúrà fún àwọn ẹ̀yin tí lóye bá iṣẹ́ Olúwa ṣe wá rí òye iṣẹ́ Olúwa tẹ níyẹn ẹ fi dá àwọn kankan padà ṣe rí ohun tẹ́ ń fèsì bíi challenges ẹ gbé pamọ́ ẹ du orí olórí wò ẹ ṣàánú fún àwọn kan tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí Paul Apostle ó ní òun ti gbàdúrà sí Olúwa nígbà 3.
Paul Apostle said, I have prayed to God 3 times.
ó ní Olúwa sọ fún un pé oore ọ̀fẹ́ mi tó
And
fún
the
ọ.
Lord said, my grace is sufficient.
Ọlọ́run rí ọkàn tí Paul fi
The
ṣiṣẹ́.
Lord see the heart he used
ó dẹ̀
to
mú
work.
kí Paul ó mú kó la ipa ju ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn àpọ́sítélì lọ.
And he made Paul to have impact more than the
Àwọn ọmọ
most
Nàìjíríà pọ̀ ní Canada kí wọn irú àwọn àdúrà tí àwọn bàbá ọlọ́wẹ̀rẹ̀ ń gbà táwa ń gbà irú ẹ̀ wọ́n nídìí ẹ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Canada.
That kind of prayer in Canada.
Ṣùgbọ́n àtẹ̀tí bábà lọ sẹ́mínárì
Since you have been to
ìdà
seminary,
tẹ́ ẹ pọ́n ẹ má kìbọ ìsàlẹ̀ odò.
and the sword you
Tẹ́ bá
shout,
kìbọ odò kò ní mú mọ́.
don't dip it in the river.
Kẹ́ ẹ tó lè lọ sẹ́mínárì ó túmọ̀ sí pé Ọlọ́run ń pè yín.
Before you go to seminary, that means God has called you.
So nǹkan àkọ́kọ́
That
tẹ̀lé
is
ìdí ni
first
pé
thing.
ẹ lọ mú iṣẹ́ yẹn ẹ mú ní
Take
gírígírí.
the work of God.
Ṣẹ́rí ìlú òyìnbó mo ń lọ ìlú òyìnbó
And
dáadáa.
our brother used to
Pé
travel
ẹ wà fortunate kẹ́ ẹ tó rí èèyàn mẹ́wàá kó máa dúró tì
before
í
you
ní
see 10
Wednesday
people to stand with
nílùú òyìnbó.
you by
Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọkùnrin mi ni ó máa gbàjó ni.
if is another man is going to be
Káwá
dancing.
ní bẹ́ẹ̀ múra ni
I
ẹ
don't
ti
think
jù
you
yẹn lọ.
would have been more
Ẹ
than
ti ní
that.
Sunday service.
You would have had a Sunday.
Now tí èèyàn mẹ́wàá ti ń wá ní Wednesday
And 10 people are coming from
tẹ́ẹ̀tì lè tó
Wednesday.
mẹ́wàá.
And
Ó máa ń jù bẹ́ẹ̀ gbà mí it means ìyá mi. Ẹ bá àjọmọdé ẹ bá jẹ́ àgbà èèyàn máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ Olúwa pẹ̀lú èèyàn méjì. Ṣàìgbọ́ Yorùbá mi Bíbélì pé kí agbo kékeré kí ó má ṣe bẹ̀rù ó nítorí tí òun Olúwa ní láti sọ di ńlá. Number 1 nìyẹn ẹ mú iṣẹ́ yẹn ẹ má wò pé bóyá wọ́n ti pàbí wọn ò tí ì pọ̀. Ìkejì níbi bẹ̀ ni wípé ẹ lọ gbàdúrà dáadáa gidi gan. Ẹ má fi ojú mú spiritual father or spiritual mother. Ẹ lọ gbàdúrà ẹ jẹ́ kí Olúwa darí yín sírú ẹni tó máa jẹ́ bí ìyá fún yín nínú iṣẹ́ Olúwa tàbí bàbá fún yín nínú iṣẹ́ Olúwa. Téèyàn bá fẹ́ rìn jìnnà nínú ẹ̀mí ó gbúdọ̀ ní ẹnìkan tó máa jẹ́ ẹni tó lè bá wí. Ìkejì tó máa jẹ́ ẹni tó lè fàdúà ràn lọ́wọ́. Ìkẹta tó ẹni ẹ máa lè ṣẹ́rí lẹ́ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ Olúwa wọn náà ní bàbá o wọn náà ní màmá o tẹ bá nǹkan inú ayé ọ̀rọ̀ inú ayé làwọn yẹn náà ń sọ tẹ bá wo àwọn tó máa ń ṣe bóyá iṣẹ́ orin tàbí kan art tàbí kan ṣe oríṣiríṣi ní lè sọ pé òun ò lọ́gàá òun ò ní role model òun ò láfojúsùn kankan òun kàn ẹ̀bùn yín kàn déédéé wá sí ara bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tẹ́bùn déédéé wá sára ẹ̀ tí ò gba tọ̀dọ̀ ẹnìkan kọjá kò sí so ẹ wá ẹ gbàdúrà ẹ má mú lójijì ẹ fi sínú ẹ̀mí kẹ wá máa wo pé ìrìn àjò ta ló bá ìrìn àjò iṣẹ́ mi mu àwọn yẹn á máa fàdúrà rìn lọ́wọ́ wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa tọ́ yín sọ́nà ẹ wá rí i pé láàrin ọdún kan tẹ bá ní àwọn ẹni ẹ̀mí ṣe pé mo sọ fún yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan ara ẹ̀kan kẹrin tí èèyàn gbúdọ̀ ní tó fi lè mọ̀ pé òun ráàánú gbà ẹni ẹ̀mí tí a rán sí yín tí ó fàdúà máa fi ràn yín lọ́wọ́ tí ó máa fi gbàdúà fún yín ní gbogbo ìgbà ẹ ní ìdí ẹ̀ pọ̀tẹ́ gbàdúà fún yẹn kó lu adarí yín tẹ bá ti ṣe tẹ́bi tó lú aṣáájú ẹ rí pọ́nà máa là fún yín ẹ lọ́dán wò láàrin oṣù 6 ẹ rí mọ̀ pé rere ni Olúwa ẹ ṣé yóò dáa fún yín. Ìyá ṣe rí gbogbo iṣẹ́ Olúwa ṣe rí ẹni tó bá ti èkìlọ̀ lólúwa ń fún yín ṣe rí ẹni tó bá ti ń lé owó kì í ba tán bá dẹ̀ bá wọn kì í pẹ́ tán ohun tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn wòlíì ayé òde òní ò mọ̀ nìyẹn ohun tó yẹ kán kọ́kọ́ lé nǹkan ti ẹ̀mí ṣùgbọ́n wọn á kọ́kọ́ lé owó wọn á lé iṣẹ́ ìyanu t'Olúwa ò ṣe fún wọn òun lẹ́ṣẹ̀ rí ẹlòmíràn yóò gbárọ dìde arọ tí ò yarọ torí kí náà ṣe léyìí torí kan lè ní ẹlòmíràn ohun tí olúwa ò rán ó lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ta omi ó lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tòróró ó ti kọ́kọ́ fi ti owó yẹn ó ti fi ṣáájú ọlọ́run ti mọ̀ pé kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ òun olúwa ló fẹ́ ṣe mo ti lọ dá ìjọlẹ̀ sí ìlú òyìnbó rí tó jẹ́ pé nàìjíríà ni mo ti wá owó lọ mo ta ilẹ̀ tí mo fowó ẹ̀ dání lọ láti lọ fi gba hall instrument tí mo rà mo order ẹ̀ láti another country ó ṣeéṣe kán rí lára àwọn members mi kó ti wà online kó máa wò wá first program tí mo máa kọ́kọ́ ṣe ń lu òyìnbó fún iṣẹ́ olúwa níbi tí mi ò mọ̀ èèyàn rí sí ṣebí ibi tẹ́yàn bá mọ̀ èèyàn sí ló ti máa ráyè mú pé ẹ wá dáwó èmi ni mo mú lọ tí bá fẹ́ ṣe any program mo gbúdọ̀ ti múra wípé ókè mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe báyìí ní ìdúró dé ènìyàn ọlọ́run tí mo fẹ́ ṣe fún àwọn tí ọlọ́run fẹ́ ti pasẹ̀ mi gbàlà lèmi ń wò ìkìlọ̀ lólúwa fún yín pé ẹ má lé owó èèyàn lè wáṣẹ́ rí ibi tí ò ti sówó lónìí owó lè ti bẹ̀ dé lọ́la ṣẹ́gẹ́tì yorùbá mi báyìí ohun tẹ́ẹ̀tì máa ní ni tẹ́ẹ̀tì máa ní ànító àti àníṣẹ́kù ṣe rí ohun tó bá ti máa dáa kì í dára lójijì kì í dára níbẹ̀rẹ̀ ìyá máa wà ń bẹ̀ tí ò bá sí ìyá ń bẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi pa ìtàn lọ́la ẹni tí ò bá jìyà kì í jọrọ̀ ẹ ṣe yẹ kí n dáhùn sẹ́lẹ̀ mi owó ni ìyá yẹn ní ìdòwò kíákíá ọlọ́run àdẹ̀bá wà pèsè fún now bóyá o ní ìbéèrè sí ṣókí ìbéèrè ẹ tí bá ti dá ọlọ́run níwọ̀nba gbà pé mo dá ọlọ́run níwọ̀nba. Hello. Yes, ta ló ń sọ̀rọ̀? Ok, mo ń gbọ́ láti bò. Ok, kí lẹ fẹ́ wá sí? Ọkọ àtọmọ. Ṣé ọkọ àbí ọkọ? Ọkọ àtọmọ ọlọ́run máa ṣe ẹ tilẹ̀kùn mọ́rí fún 24 hours ṣe ń gbọ́ mi kẹ má jẹ kẹ má mu olúwa fún mi ní ẹnìkan tá mú kí n gbàgbé ìbànújẹ́ ọjọ́ tó ti pẹ́ kí mo pè àdúrà yín nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n ohun tí mo rí níwájú yín dẹ̀ lágbára ṣùgbọ́n èmi ò ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fóònù lórí kìíní so ṣùgbọ́n ẹ gbàdúrà sí olúwa yóò ràn yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ gbàdúrà 24 hours kẹ má jẹ kẹ má mu fi àánú fún mi ní ẹnìkan tí ó mú kí n gbàgbé ìbànújẹ́ ọjọ́ tó ti pẹ́ ṣe ń gbọ́ mi kẹ́ẹ̀gbìn ẹbí kẹ́ máa ka Psalm 20 tẹ́ bá ti ń kà ẹ ṣe ẹ bá ń pa fóònù ká dá ìlú mi. ìbéèrè lánìí kò béèrè mọ́ sọ pé àdúrà ló fara ẹ̀ ó gbàdúrà sọ̀tọ̀ bá ní ìbéèrè lórí ohun tó ti gbọ́ yìí.
Maybe if you need question,
mo fẹ́ kó sáré láàrin ìṣẹ́jú méjì time yẹn ti lọ
time is fast.
ó yẹ ká ti lọ mọ́ gbàdúrà
You
báyìí
should have gone to pray right now.
ó yẹ ká ti wọnú àdúrà.
You should have gone into prayers now.
Hello. Yes, ta ló sọ̀rọ̀. Olúwa gbọ́ àdúrà yìí ọ̀nà máa là fún yín ẹ ó ra àánú gbà Jésù Olúwa wa. Àwọn aládùúrà now sọfà tó ti jẹ́ pé àdúrà ló wà lónìí ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ gbàdúrà a máa gbàdúrà ní òru.
I'm going to pray in the
Hello.
meantime.
Hello. Yes. Okay, ẹ kúrò lẹ́nu. Ẹ ṣe nà. Kí ni irú ogun ológun yẹn? Kí ni sickness yẹn? Kí lorúkọ tí dókítà pè? Kí náà pè bẹ́ẹ̀?
Hepatitis B.
ó wá gbóògùn ìyá ṣe ń gbọ́ mi tí ó bá gbóògùn ó gbọ́ àdúrà bó lẹ́wà ẹ lọ ra oyin original kẹ́ wá gbé bá mi ní Ọ̀gànbọ̀ lọ́jọ́ Sunday oyin original gidi ni o bọ̀tẹ́ tètè débẹ̀ kẹ́ korúkọ yín sílẹ̀ kẹ́ sọ pé oyin yẹn kó jẹ́ original ẹ ra kó tó bí sáìsì ṣé ẹ wà lórí Facebook báyìí bá mi wo kíní rọ́bà mi wò ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ kíní omi kékeré ẹ mọ omi tó máa ń tàbí 15 naira 16 naira yẹn 75 ẹ wo mo kàn lo eléyìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀sánpù tẹ bá ń wò mí ẹ ra irú oyin tó kún irú kíní tó jẹ́ original ni mo pé o ẹ tètè jí dé Ọ̀gànbọ̀ ní Àjà lọ́jọ́ Sunday kẹ́ korúkọ yín sílẹ̀ sọ́nba sọ fún ẹ pé èmi ni mo sọ pé kẹ́ ra oyin yẹn wá o torí tó bá ń pín àwọn èèyàn tó ẹ lè bọ́ sí ọ̀dọ̀ mi ṣé Yorùbá mi lè yín báyìí ẹ pa fún so ó gbọ́ àdúrà bí ò gbóògùn ó gbọ́ àdúrà ṣe gbọ́ Yorùbá mi báyìí God bless you ẹ bá ń pa fún kára báyìí lóde sọ. Hello. Mi ò gbóhùn ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ọ̀dẹ̀ ti kú gan-an bẹ́ẹ̀. Tọ́ ilẹ̀ ti ṣú ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà.
Let us pray.
Àdúrà wa àná.
Yesterday
tí mo sọ fún ipa àgbàdo la.
I said we're going to pray till tomorrow.
Òun náà la fẹ́
What we
bẹ̀rẹ̀.
want to pray right now.
Olúwa
God.
jẹ́ kó wù ọ́ láti ṣàánú fún mi.
Lord, let it please you to have mercy on me.
Ẹ gbàdúrà yẹn ò níbi gbogbo tẹ́
Pray
wà
the
báyìí.
prayer wherever you are.
Jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Lord, let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Wàá máa gbàdúrà yẹn
You'll be
tọkàntọkàn
praying the prayer with all your heart.
níbi tó wà.
Wherever you are.
Olúwa jọ̀ọ́ jẹ́ kó wù
Lord,
ọ́
please let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Gbogbo yẹn máa múra lẹ̀ dé crossover
Everybody get prepared for crossover
ní 12
by 12
lónìí
today,
Nigeria time
Nigeria time,
ní alẹ́ yìí
this evening,
12 bóyá bí 15 minutes to
maybe
12
15 minutes to 12.
so a lè máa lò ju bí 1 hour.
We might not use more than 1
A fẹ́
hour.
gbàdúrà lórí nǹkan mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin
We
yìí
want to pray on these 4 things
lónìí
today.
so but kó tó dé gbà yẹn
But before then,
ẹ gbàdúrà méjì tá a ti ń bá
pray
bọ̀.
the 2 prayers we have been praying before.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Lord,
sẹ́
let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa nínú ọkàn
Lord,
lọ
in your mind, in your heart,
èmi Olúwa ló jẹ́ kó
I
wù
will
ọ́
Bola Segun.
láti ṣàánú
Let
fún
it
mi.
please you to have mercy
Máa
on
ṣe
me.
àmẹ́sẹ̀jì bó ṣe
Share this
wọlé o.
message as you're coming
Wàá rí
in.
mọ̀ yìí pé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ agbára jáde
See,
lé
the
ní
word
àtàná.
of power is coming out yesterday and
Àwọn
today.
ọ̀rọ̀ encouragement
The
tó
word of encouragement
tó sọ ayé yín di
that
ńlá.
can make your life great.
Jẹ́ kó wù ọ́ láti
Let it
ṣàánú fún
please
mi.
you to have mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Lord, let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on my
Jẹ́ kó
children.
wù ọ́
Let it please you
láti ṣàánú fẹ́mi
to
fún ara
have
mi.
mercy on myself.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Lord, let it please you
láti ṣàánú fún mi.
to have mercy on me.
Ra Samuel jẹ́ ti dá Amẹ́ríkà padà yóò dára fún yín. Tí a bá parí jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ tó ayé ti wà l'Amẹ́ríkà padà. So jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fóònù after tí bá finish program Ra Samuel. Torí mi mọ nọ́mbà ẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà ní bá ti padà pè. So látijọ́ tó ti bá wá ṣe dedication. Monday mo ní kò pè mí kí n lè mọ nọ́mbà tó bá wà lọ́wọ́ yín but mi ò rí nọ́mbà yẹn. So Ra Samuel sọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ tọ́. Ṣé yes ni mo ti débẹ̀ lẹ́sọ̀ mi ò tí ì débẹ̀ ìkan nínú méjèèjì mi ò fẹ́ yes. Mo ti débẹ̀ àbí mo ti wà ní Nàìjíríà tó wáyé pé létẹ̀ wà Nàìjíríà jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ wáyé pé létẹ̀ ti débẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù
Lord,
ọ́
let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún mi.
have mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù
Lord,
ọ́
let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù
Lord,
ọ́
let it please you.
jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Let it please
nínú
you
àánú rẹ̀
in your mercy
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Ogun yìí pọ̀ jù.
This battle is too much.
Ogun yìí pọ̀ jù
The
fún mi.
battle is too much for me.
Àǹtí Ẹniọlá mo ti bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan so tí bá ti parí tán call me tí bá ti parí tán call me so you need to talk to me mo mọ ohun tó ṣe ọ́ dó ọ wá dedication mọ́ mi wá so ó dẹ̀ yé mi náà so don't worry but jẹ́ tá a bá parí jẹ́ ká ṣàgbàdúrà Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Lord, let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún mi.
have mercy on me.
Jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Let it please
láti
you
ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Jésù Olúwa wa.
Amen.
Jẹ́ kí n ṣe báyìí.
Let me do the like
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wà ní Lille.
as many on at Lille,
Yóò Lille ní France.
as many in Lille state in France.
Màá wà ń bẹ̀
I will be there.
ní bí ọjọ́ kan.
Just one day,
Bóyá on the 9,
maybe on the
9/10
9/10
ní Lille ní France.
in Lille in France.
So on the 9
On the 9
to 10.
to 10,
So o máa ní o bóyá o fẹ́ rí mi.
maybe you want to see me.
Màá fún ọ ní time tó
I'm
lè
going
rí
to
mi.
give you the time you're
So
going
if
to see
you are
me.
in Lille
If you are
in
in
France,
Lille in France,
so o lè inbox mi.
You can inbox
so
me.
bóyá o fẹ́ rí mi one on
maybe you
one
want
for
to see me
counseling.
one-on-one for
Tó
counseling.
bá wà ní
If you are in
Lille
Lille
ní
in
France.
France,
Lille ni mo pe o.
I said Lille.
Mi spẹ́lì rẹ̀ jẹ́ bóyá màá mọ spẹ́lì rẹ̀. Bóyá ẹ lè bá mi.
Lille in France.
L-I-double-L-E.
Lille.
Lille.
You are in Lille in France.
Lille ní France.
If you are in Lille in France,
So tó bá wà ń bẹ̀.
if you are there
So tàbí ní area ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀.
or at the area,
So o máa ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ o lè ní orí
I
ọ̀fẹ́
have
láti
the
rí
grace to
mi.
see me.
I just have a night there.
Just a night I'm going to
So
spend
mo
there.
mo ní assignment
I have
kan.
an assignment there.
So bóyá o wà lérí àbẹ̀ yẹn.
Maybe you are at the area,
O wà ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ láti rí mi.
you have the grace to see
So
me.
lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò
In
dára
the name
fún
of Jesus shall
ọ.
go.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Lord, let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Jẹ́ kó wù ọ́.
Let it please you.
Jọ̀ọ́ gbàdúrà yẹn
Please
dáadáa.
pray the prayer very
Jẹ́
well.
kó wù ọ́
Let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to have
fún mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jọ̀ọ́
Lord, please,
nínú agbára
in
ẹ̀
your power,
jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Kọjú sí mi ṣe láàánú.
Face me and
Bá
have
mi
mercy
kọ
on me.
àdírẹ́sì kọ kìíní yẹn síbẹ̀.
Write the
Kọ
address.
síbẹ̀ àdírẹ́sì yẹn.
The address, write it
Best ibi tí máa wà ní Lille yẹn.
where I'm going to be
Máa
in
fún ẹ
Lille.
ní kí lórúkọ the hotel. Best hotel.
Best hotel in Lille.
Best hotel ní Lille. So
Best hotel in Lille.
Lille Center.
Lille Center.
Lille Center best hotel.
Best hotel in Lille Center.
So mo wá wà ń bẹ̀ ní.
That is where I'm going to be.
On the
On the
9/10. So we have between 6
Maybe between 6
and 7. So màá ti wà ń bẹ̀.
I will be
So
there
yẹn ní on the 9.
on the 9th.
So lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò dára
In the
fún
name
ọ.
of Jesus
So
shall
lè
go.
ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ a lè ríra.
I will have the grace to see you.
Lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò
In the
dára
name
fún
of
ọ.
Jesus shall
Jẹ́
go.
kó wù ọ́
Let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù ọ́
Lord, let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ kó wù
Lord,
ọ́
let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to have
mi.
mercy on me.
Ṣé rí àdúrà kẹ́yìn mo dẹ̀
See
fẹ́
this
kẹsẹ̀
prayer,
mi?
I want you to
Ó máa rí nǹkan
emphasize
tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní oṣù
it. See
kẹfà.
what's going to happen in the
Jẹ́ kó
6th month.
wù ọ́
Let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ ó wù
Lord,
ọ́
let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ ó wù
Lord,
ọ́
let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to have
fún mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ ó wù
Lord,
ọ́
let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to
fún
have
mi.
mercy on me.
Olúwa jẹ́ ó wù ọ́
Lord, let it please you
láti ṣàánú
to have
fún mi.
mercy on me.
Jẹ́ ó wù ọ́
Let
láti
it
ṣàánú
please you to have mercy on
fún àdúrà
me. Yes,
Jésù
pray
Olúwa
Jesus
wa.
alone. Amen.
Ẹ wá gba ẹyọ kan tó kù.
Now pray the second one.
Olúwa jẹ́ kí àánú àti ojú rere rẹ̀
Lord, let your mercy and your favor
kí ó gbé mi pàdé
let it connect me.
olùrànlọ́wọ́ àyànmọ́ mi ní kíákíá.
My destiny helper quickly.
O àdúrà tó lúwa ní ká gbà wọ́n oṣù
That is the
kẹfà
prayer
nìyẹn.
the Lord said we should pray to
A
this
dẹ̀ máa
season.
gbà dáadáa
And we're
lóru
going
yìí.
to pray very well in the midnight.
Olúwa jẹ́ kí ó wù ọ́
Lord, let it please you.
fi àánú ńlá rẹ
Use your great
àti
mercy
ojú rere
and
rẹ
your favor
gbé àti oore ọ̀fẹ́ rẹ
and your grace
gbé ayé mi pàdé
to connect my life
olùrànlọ́wọ́ àyànmọ́
and my destiny
tí ó
helper
máa ran ayé mi lọ́wọ́
that
ní
will help my
kíákíá
destiny quickly,
tó máa ran àyànmọ́ mi
that will
lọ́wọ́
help
ní
my
kíákíá.
destiny on time.
Mo máa fẹ́ kẹ́ gbàdúrà
I
yẹn.
want you to pray the
Sórí
prayer.
òru àwọn àdúrà tá a máa gbà
These
nìwọ̀nyẹn.
are the prayer we're going to pray in the
Ó
midnight.
gbúdọ̀ dára fún ọ
You need to make it,
ní oṣù kẹfà yìí.
and then 6 months.
O gbúdọ̀ rí nǹkan rere tọ́ka sí.
There must be good things you can
Lóṣù
point
kẹfà.
to. And the 6 months,
Olúwa ojú rere ẹ
Lord, your
àti
mercy
àánú àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́
and your mercy and
fi
your
gbé mi
grace.
pàdé olùrànlọ́wọ́
Use it to connect me with
tó
a
máa ran
helper
àyànmọ́
that
mi
will help my destiny
lọ́wọ́ ní kíákíá.
quickly.
Gbàdúrà yẹn.
Pray the prayer.
Bá ọba àwọn ọba
Talk
sọ.
to God of God.
Gbàdúrà yẹn
Talk
dáadáa.
to pray that prayer very
Mo
well.
fẹ́ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ sí
I
ọ.
want to prophesy
Bí
to
mi
you.
bá tẹ̀ ráyè sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ gan lélẹ̀.
Even if I don't have time to
Tó bá
prophesy,
di alẹ́
at the midnight,
sọ màá sọ tẹ́lẹ̀.
I'm going to prophesy.
Ibùdó máa tẹ̀ fún yín lórí ọ̀fẹ́.
And I'm going to give you the
Kẹ́ ẹ
grace
pè wọlé
for you to call him
fún àdúrà
for prayers
oṣù tuntun.
for the new month.
Tó yẹ pé online gbogbo yín.
Online.
Ohunkóhun tólúwa bá fi darí mi láti sọ
Whatever the
fún ọ.
Lord had directed me to
Gẹ́gẹ́
tell
bí
you.
ìwọ àti wòlíì rẹ̀.
But as for you and your prophet,
Màá fi ṣí ẹ̀rọ yẹn
I'm
sílẹ̀.
going to open the phone line.
O ní má fi WhatsApp pè.
But don't call with WhatsApp.
So fi nọ́mbà direct kò fi
Call
pè.
with direct line.
So lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa
Shall
yóò
be
dára
well with
fún
you in
ọ.
the name of Jesus.
Yóò dára fún ọ.
Shall be well with
Mo
you.
ní ó máa dára
Shall
fún
be
ọ.
well with you.
So wọ́n ti fún yín ní àdírẹ́sì
They've
hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì tí
given
máa
you the
wà
address of the hotel.
ní but màá fún tó bá tó àkókò
When
tó
the
bá
time comes,
màá send bó ṣe lè
I'm
get
going to
number
send how
if
you're
you know
going to
that you are in
get the
that
number. If you know
facility
you are in that area,
so just send text message
send
to
a
me
text message, inbox
that you
me,
want to see me
that you want to see me.
so I will know how to arrange láti pé kò lè ká lè jọ
For
ríra
you to also see ourselves one on one.
lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa
Shall
yóò
be
dára
well with you
fún
in the
yín
name of Jesus.
ogun ayé ò ní borí
Battle of the world will
jẹ́
never
gbàdúrà
overcome.
fún
Let me
ọ
pray for
ká
you.
lè lọ́mọ múra
So that we get prepared
because we
for
just
that.
have like just 3 hours
Just we have about 3 hours
for preparation for it
for us to prepare
so
for the
káwọn
program,
media káwọn náà lè rest
so that the media can rest.
Ọlọ́run
in
àpòsò
God
àbábọ́lá
of Apostle
Ọlọ́run tí ò yí padà
The Lord has changed your
gbogbo
number.
ibi tẹ́ ti lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti bá
Wherever you
wọn
have the grace to worship
láti ọ̀run mímọ́ wá
from early
o
heaven,
máa rá àánú gbà
God obtain mercy.
o máa rí àánú gbà
God obtain mercy.
o máa rí àánú
You
gbà
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 obtain mercy.
o máa rí
You
àánú
obtain
gbà
mercy.
o máa rí àánú
You
gbà
receive mercy.
o máa rí
You
àánú
receive
gbà
mercy.
o máa rí 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 àánú
obtain
gbà
mercy.
o máa rí àánú
receive
gbà
mercy.
o máa rí àánú
obtain
gbà
mercy.
o máa rí àánú
receive
gbà
mercy.
ẹnìkan
Just one person
tí ó máa ran àyànmọ́ rẹ
that
lọ́wọ́
will help your destiny,
tó máa ran ìgbà rẹ
that
lọ́wọ́
will help your time,
tó máa ran àyànmọ́ rẹ
that
lọ́wọ́
will help your destiny,
tó máa ran àyànmọ́ rẹ
that
lọ́wọ́
will help your destiny.
ìwọ tó lè ṣàmì jù
You that can echo biggest
Ọlọ́run
destiny.
aláàánú
God the mercy
yóò darí ẹ̀ sí ọ
is going to send the
ní
message.
oṣù kẹfà yóò darí
The
ẹ̀ sí ọ
6th month is going to send it
ní
to you.
oṣù kẹfà yóò
The
darí ẹ̀
6th month
sí
is
ọ
going to send it to you.
ní oṣù kẹfà
The
yóò
6th
darí
month
ẹ̀
is
sí
going
ọ
to send it to you.
ní oṣù kẹfà
And the
yóò
6th
darí
month
ẹ̀
is
sí
going to
ọ
send it to you.
ní oṣù kẹfà
And the
yóò
6th
darí
month
ẹ̀
is
sí
going to
ọ
send it to you.
ní oṣù kẹfà
And the
yóò
6th month
darí ẹ̀
is going to
sí
send
ọ
it to you.
ó dẹ̀ máa rà
And
àánú
you
gbà
obtain mercy.
ó máa rí ọwọ́
And you
Olúwa
see the hand of
wàá
God.
dẹ̀ rí
And
ìyanu
you see miracle.
ó dẹ̀ máa rí títóbi
And you see the
Ọlọ́run
greatness of God.
ogun ayé kò ní borí
Battle
ẹ̀
of the world will
mo
overcome
ní
you.
ogun òkùnkùn kò ní
Battle
borí
of
ẹ̀
darkness will overcome
wàá rí
you.
àánú gbà
You will obtain mercy.
wàá momi àánú
You will drink the water of
mo
mercy.
ló máa momi
You
àánú
shall drink the water of mercy.
mo ló máa momi
You shall
àánú
drink the water of mercy.
wàá dẹ̀ rí títóbi
And you see the
Ọlọ́run
greatness of God.
ògo ni fọ́lọ́run
Glory be
lókè
to God
ọ̀run
in the highest.
mo ní ògo ni
Glory
fọ́lọ́run
be to
lókè
God in the
ọ̀run
highest.
mo ní ògo ni
Glory
fọ́lọ́run
be to
lókè
God in
ọ̀run
the highest.
títí di alẹ́ òní
Till
tí
the
máa bá
midnight
yín
today
pàdé
I'm going to meet with you.
orí ẹ̀ kò ní sunú
Your
àgbàrá
head will
yìí
never sleep in the pool of
má
blood.
gbàgbé iṣẹ́ òru
Don't
yìí
forget today's
ó máa
meeting.
lágbára
It's going to be powerful.
so bóyá o wà ní Lille
Maybe you are in Lille,
ní France
at France,
mo ti best hotel
the best
ní
hotel
Central ni mo pè lẹ́ẹ̀kan
in
yẹn
Central Lille.
Central Lille
Central Lille.
so mo
best
máa wà
hotel.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ní on the
I will be
9
there
so
on
10
the 9 and 10.
so ìwọ tó dẹ̀ wà ní Madrid ẹ̀ ọmọ mi
You that
tẹ̀
you
wà
are
ní
in Madrid,
tẹ̀ wà ní Madrid
that you are in Madrid,
ó possible
it is
ó
possible.
possible gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe yín
It's possible.
o lè pàdé mi ní Madrid
You can
airport
meet me at Madrid airport
ní Sunday
on Sunday,
àbí on Monday
on Monday,
that's Monday this coming
this
Monday
coming Monday.
so o lè pàdé mi
You can meet
ní
me there.
Madrid
You can meet me on Madrid.
níjọ́ Monday lọ́jọ́ Monday
On Monday,
so this coming Monday
this coming Monday, you
so
can meet me there
ní Madrid
at Madrid.
so o lè pàdé mi
You can meet me
gbàdúrà
there
fún ọ
and let me pray for you.
so ẹ̀yin team
The
ẹ
thing
máa ń pàdé mi
that you
bẹ́ẹ̀
normally meet me there,
so but ní Madrid
but Madrid,
so ní Monday
this
I think
coming Monday,
ọ̀túnla
and
So,
there
àbí
are
ọjọ́ mẹ́rin.
about 3 or 4 days time.
so ní Madrid
You meet me at
ní
Madrid.
Spain so ìwọ tó bá dẹ̀ wá wà ní Lille
You that you are in Lille,
ní France
in
bákan náà
France, like
I-
likewise,
a máa place àwọn
I'm going
address
to
yẹn
place the address
tí o máa ní
that
orí
you're going to have the
ọ̀fẹ́
grace
láti rí mi bẹ́ẹ̀.
to watch me.
One of my sister
Ìkálá àwọn
ní
àti
Amsterdam
in Amsterdam,
tí o bá ní orí ọ̀fẹ́
you have the grace.
tó wá bá mi ní Finland láyé ní last 3
You
months
came to meet me in Finland 3 months
so
ago.
o lè ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ jẹ́ ká jọ sọ̀rọ̀ padà
You can
bá wà
have the
ní
grace.
Amsterdam àṣàwọ̀
Be in
abẹ́ láàrin
Amsterdam.
bíi just maybe 1 to 2 hours
Maybe I will be there around 2 hours.
so
or
because
2 hours.
of you mo lè lórí ọ̀fẹ́ yẹn láti
Because of you, I can
rí
use
ẹ
the
ní
grace to
Amsterdam
speak in
bákan náà
Amsterdam.
lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò dára
Shall
fún
be
ọ
well with Sunday,
ẹni pé ní Monday
on Monday.
lórúkọ
Just
Jésù
like
Olúwa máa
Sunday
dára
program.
fún yín thank you jẹ́ ká pàdé Okay, Sunday
I'm
program.
talking about Sunday program.
Pastor Sunday program yẹn ọjà sọ pé Sunday àásọ yẹn lóru òwúrọ̀ àánú
The morning of mercy.
ọjọ́ Sunday
On
yìí
Sunday, this coming Sunday.
òwúrọ̀ àánú
On
ó máa
morning of
lágbára
mercy,
lọ́jọ́
it's going to be
Sunday
powerful on Sunday.
ní Abraham Adesanya roundabout
This roundabout.
wàá gba ti àjà
You pass through Aja
ibi tí ẹnu ẹja yẹn fèsì yẹn
place
Sọ
where
pé
the end
ó lọ
of the
sí
street is.
Ọ̀gbọ̀gbọ̀.
You say you're going to
rán
Ọ̀gbọ̀gbọ̀.
àbúrò ẹ
Send your
rán ọmọ
brother,
ẹ
send your junior one,
rán
send
àwọn
your
ènìyàn rẹ
children,
tó wà láyìíká àti agbègbè yẹn
that are in that
ẹgbọ́n kan
vicinity.
tóbìnrin yẹn sọ ó ní
Look
wọn
at
fowó ràn lọ́wọ́ rí
what
láyé
that
10,000
woman is talking about, that they have never
Ọlọ́run
ever
tún ní àìsàn tó le
as they have never
Ó ní kò
ever
gbóògùn.
10,000 she
ṣùgbọ́n mo
she
láyọ̀
has
láti sọ fún ọ
sickness
pé ó gbọ́ àdúrà
that does not that is incurable for drugs,
tó
but
bá
I
gba
have the joy
wòlíì
to tell you
wòlíì wàá mọ̀
prayer
wípé
can cure it.
ó
If
gbọ́
you take the
àdúrà
prophet in the name of the prophet,
yóò ti lè máa lọ
prayer
sóní
can cure
orí
it.
ibi
You might
fàdúà
have been going to series of
wọ́n
places
náà
of
dẹ́
prayer.
ilé yìí wò
Come and test
orí
this
mọ̀ ìpè rere
one and
lolúwa
see the Lord is good.
join ní wa
Join us
ní 15 minutes to 12
15 minutes to 12
ní òru èní
to this
ká lè
meeting
jọgba
so that we can
àdúrà
pray together.
àìwọ on the
So on the 1st of June,
lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò
in the
dára
name of
fún
Jesus
yín.
shall be with you.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.